Hi everybody. Well, what is... Is it... honestly, I think that there was nothing better I could have opened up the stream to. Hi everybody. I'm gonna scroll up and properly say hi in chat before I get back down to the bottom of the chat. Hi everybody, welcome in. Sleepless, congrats on first. Skyro, congrats on second. Haruka, congrats on third, and thank you for the lurk. How are you guys doing today? Cece, congrats on the snack time, welcome in. Min, hello. Congrats on your 200 pastries. Did you realize that? You have 200 pastries as of today. That's actually insane. Hi Dream, how are you? Welcome in. Hi Guapo, hi Ani. How is everybody? Incog, thank you for the lurk. Naru, hello, welcome in. Orange, hello. Nice gambling. Nice gambling. What is, I wanna flip a coin. Well, I don't know when I'm gonna, I have to scroll down, I guess, to see what happened. How are you, Sage? Welcome in, welcome in. Skyro, thank you for the 25 stream streak. That's amazing. Thank you. How was your day? How was your sewing? How was all the crafts you've been working on today? JC, hello, welcome in. Edit Wait, why is it, now it's just crying? It was funnier before. It was very funny. Thanks guys for the gambling. Yeah, wait, put it back. Put the math back. Nox, congrats on the 100 pastries. Nox, you were in my dream last night. I don't know if you saw I hope you saw the general chat in the Splatland server, so it sounds less creepy. A group of you were in my dream last night. Last night I had a dream that Nox was there, and then a bunch of the other like Riptide trading card artists like randomly showed up at my house, and I was like, why is everybody here? What are we doing? And you guys were like, oh, we want to plan like a holiday like potluck for like the Riptide trading card artists. And like you guys were like proposing it as like the halfway point between both Riptides was December. And in my head I was like, no, it's not. But you guys were like, no, we're all gonna come back to your house for a Christmas gathering. And then you all left and like you like went off in a car and you were like off to a party or something. And I was like, so are we doing the thing? And then you all just left, and then I woke up. But that was my dream last night, in case you were wondering. How are you? Welcome in. Oh my god. Wait, this is so funny. No, that's a great command. Thank you, JC, for sharing it. I like that one a lot. You got followed, told you're gonna be hosting. No, I did. It was funny though. But I was like, why did this happen? What? No, don't gamble. Don't gamble. Wait, did you... Wait, so what's the coin command now? I have so many weird dreams. And the thing with my... Wait, that one's really funny. Because Nightbot's trying to add the command. What is happening? The one JC posted is the literal code. That's so funny. Oh my god. No, why are we changing it? But is it funny still? What's it gonna do? You'll probably bring a no-bake cheesecake or something? Wait, that sounds good. But yeah, all of my dreams, like, they always include, like, people that I know. Like, I don't usually have dreams about, like, celebrities or, like, people that I don't talk to. It's always, like, random people. But then it, like, shows you the random people sometimes. Not in this case, but, like, do you guys ever have dreams where it's like, oh, here's this random friend that you haven't talked to since high school, and, like, you're gonna wake up wondering, like, everything that they're doing with their life, but you don't talk to them anymore. It's like that kind of stuff. Yeah, I'm not even looking. I don't even know what's happening with the coins anymore, honestly. Thank you, Cog, for the 20 stream watch streak. Who knew there were 3 sides? That's my favorite side of the coin is the context 112. It's really funny. In an hour, you get to beta test a game. Oh, wait, what game? What game dream? That's exciting. You have to lock in today. You on a Friday? No, you don't. I'm your boss, and I'm saying that you don't have to do that. That sounds wrong. Yeah, those dreams are so weird because sometimes too it's about people that like nothing happened. You know how like just like naturally as people like we have falling outs with people. Like I feel like I have a lot of dreams that include those people, and then I wake up the next day and I'm like I need to message them immediately. But then I'm like, why do I need to message them immediately? Like what is the like why? You know? I don't know. It's weird. I have dreams where people from work are in your room asking for work tickets. That stinks. That really stinks. I don't like that for you, Guapo. That means you're like working when you're not working. Wait, you have a deadline of tonight? Was this something you just got in today? That's illegal. That should be illegal. Is it difficult? I hope it's not. I rarely ever have dreams, so when I do, 30% of the time they have the rest of curl streak. Wait, that's so cute though. I love that. It's been productive. I learned many things with metallic thread and fabric. Let's go. Some PTSD from metallic thread I used for your cross stitch. No, I love that cross stitch so much. It looks so good. It's in my room. It's in my room on like one of my nightstands. I love that thing so much. I love it. So this is your motivation for you to power through it. Because I love what you did with the other one. But yeah, good luck though. I'm glad that it's been productive and you're learning a lot. I had a dream that all of my exes were in it and you hated it. Like, oh my God, I hate dreams with exes are really uncomfortable. I'm just like, don't, like, why are you here? Like the ex is there for a reason. Like, get out of my head. It's so rude. It's been there, but I'm a reviewer and your coworker didn't finish it until yesterday. Oh God, that stinks. I hate when like things come in that become urgent that like low-key like aren't your problem. I'm like, dude, you had time to do this. Femi, you were in my dream last night. I don't know if you heard my rant. The too long didn't read. Please lurk, please lurk. Also, I have your art here. Just ignore me. Just ignore me as I'm talking. Guys, Femi made this. But I had a dream. I had a dream that a bunch of the Riptide Trading Card Project artists came to my house and wanted to have a winter potluck, and you were one of them, and you just left in like a clown car with a bunch of other artists. I don't know why I had that dream, and I was compelled to message you all today. Enjoy your lurk. Just tell the boss to flip a coin if it lands. Context 112, the deadline's extended. I really like that, honestly. That's a great idea. Oh, you're testing the Petite Planet. Wait, Min, didn't you apply to do that too? I feel like I had other friends that also were talking about that. I'm really curious about it because it looks really cute. Dream, I want to hear your honest review. You don't have to type a lot. You can be like, this is bomb or this stunk, and that'll be great. I want to hear what you think. I think once I had a dream where I realized you were in a dream, but you stayed in it because you knew you should stay asleep. That's wild, Lucario. Oh my God. Can't have a dream of exes when you've never dated. Honestly, I mean, we have to always think of all the positive things, right? I feel like that's not a bad thing. I guess in a way, I don't know. I'm awkward. In honor of the new Animal Crossing be announced. Wait, you got 15 new amiibo cards? Do you know who they are or are they random? I had a dream that an X was in it and you had to solve for it. You don't want to solve for X. There's a reason. That's why X. This is amazing. I'm so sorry though. It's even worse when they don't end quickly yet in the dream you actually enjoy is 5 seconds. That stinks. Like, you know how when you wake up from a dream and you're like, oh, I kind of liked it there. Like, what happened? And then you're like, I guess I'll never know. Or like you want to like figure out what was going on and you never do. Yeah, it was like a clown car. Like there were like a bunch of artists and I was like, you all don't fit in a car, like in like a little car, but you did. I don't know. Last supper at Riptide next year. Trust we can do it parking lot style like the Yokes. Oh my God. That would be really fun. Winter potlucks are awesome. They sound fun, Guapo. Hi, Mongoose. How are you? I don't get it until 8, but you'll update the chat. Ooh, like 8 p.m. tonight. Wait, but that's in like an hour. That's exciting. They're all random. That's fun, Orange. I want to hear what you get when you get them in. Hi, Chase. Do they sell amiibo cards in stores? I don't know. I only own one amiibo card. It's somewhere in my pile of Switch games, and it was mailed to me. Falco had like a one like random amiibo, and he was like, I'm never gonna open this. Like, here you go. And it was Maple. And I was like, Falco, you mailed me Maple. And then he was like, I don't know who that is. And I was like, okay, well, thanks. That's the only like real Animal Crossing amiibo card I own is that one random one that ended up being Maple, and I still remembered opening it and I was like, I feel like I'm cheating. Like there's no way that my first ever Animal Crossing amiibo is like a good villager. I did once have a dream that everything I typed In chat was gamble all, and every time I tried to say anything in chat, you gambled all and lost. That is so sad. I am so sorry. I will say, I do sometimes dream about streaming, but the dreams that I have about streaming are kind of scary. It's usually like I wasn't planning on going live, or I didn't tell you guys I was going live. And actually, even I think last night, like part of my dream was I went live for 5 minutes just to say hi, and then I left. And then when I logged off, I was like, oh my God, everybody's watch streak is gonna go away because I just went live for 5 minutes and then went offline again. It's always like weird dreams. Like I forgot to turn off my computer, or like I forgot to do something weird. Like it's never like a stream where it's like, wow, cool, Nintendo sponsored me and I'm playing the new Animal Crossing game earlier than anyone. It's always like a panic stream. It's never anything like, wow. I try and figure out the end of your dream and you never can. No, you should write about it. You can write the end of the story. Hi, Jazz. Thank you for the lurk. I hope you're having a good evening. Let's go enjoy Honkai's Star Rail 2 dream. You need to start collecting some of those. You gotta get one for Zell. Ooh, I feel like it would be cute to have like amiibo cards of villagers you like. But okay, so I started playing Animal Crossing way later than everybody else. I started playing after the DLC came out, and it was only because it was like right after I started streaming. I still remember being like, I don't like talking to chat and being like, I don't know if I'm gonna like Animal Crossing, like I didn't get it, like blah 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 blah. And then like chat like, don't do this, by the way, chat like came together and like bought Animal Crossing for me like right then and there, and I was like, what is happening? And now you see what happens. So that's the only reason why I play it though. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that weird to think about? Hi Veery, thank you for the lurk. Thank you. What is this Wait, what does D20 mean? What does this mean? Why gamble all in a dream when you could do it IRL in my chat? In my chat. You want to get a Kabuki card? Oh, an NFC coin or something someday. The only Animal Crossing one you have is a hand-painted Shino. Wait, that sounds really cute though. The only amiibo cards that I have besides that maple is I have one of my friends. So before I even started playing Animal Crossing, like everybody already like made 18 islands and like completed the DLC. Like, you know, I was really late to the game. But so one of my friends was like, oh, I can make you an amiibo for anybody that you want. Like, just tell me what villagers you like. And I was like, I don't know who any of the villagers are. What do you mean, tell me what villagers you like? So like, I remember like scrolling on my phone forever through lists of villagers and be like, I don't know. What does it even mean to make an amiibo? And one of them was Sasha, Shino, and Marshall, I think, were the three that I chose. And she was like, okay, I'll make those for you. And then she gave me these like really sketchy white stickers on a white square piece of paper and was like, here you go. And I was like, that's how I got Marshall and Sasha are still on my island, and that's why I have them. Like, I didn't even know what this meant. Like, I didn't know anything about Animal Crossing. She was just like, here are these ominous white stickers that create villagers when you tap them to your Switch. And I'd only owned a Switch for like a couple months at this point. I was like, what do you mean? This is scary. I did it anyway. And yeah, you know, it's fine. Yeah, the amiibo cards I think are always random chase. I guess unless, I don't know. I think there's series of them though. So like if you want like a specific character, maybe they're in different series. Is that how they work? I don't know. I don't know. You're excited for the update? I know. I think I need to, in my brain, this is the hierarchy of things in my brain right now. Like when it comes to games, Pokemon, I really want to play Pokemon, and then Animal Crossing. So I have to play more Pokemon until I reach the point, which I feel like, honestly, it's already November. By the time I beat Pokemon Legends ZA, if I even do that on stream in like one swing of me playing it once a week, which is really rare, then maybe it'll be January 15th and then we can do Animal Crossing. That's what's in my brain right now. I feel like I have to get the Pokemon brainworms out, but it's not gonna happen until I actually, like, you know, maybe get above rank Y in Legends ZA. Also, I'm gonna get back to the chat, but I realize I've been yapping now for 20 minutes, so I'm gonna read you guys the daily meditation because I also really want to show you what I'm working on, but I feel like I should maybe get to the bottom of my chat before I tell you. I'm talking about ACNH, Lucario. Wait, but what is this Oh, it's a dice? Oh. Can you tell I don't play a single dice game or a single dice any? I don't even... Anyway, here's the daily meditation. Aww. On a clear night, stare at the sky until you see a shooting star. Someone is thinking about you. And then you show up in my dreams and we have either a potluck or you're an ex or you're like a high school friend that I don't talk to anymore, or like someone Anyway, on a clear night, stare at the sky until you see a shooting star. Someone is thinking about you. It's cute. It's cute. Also, hi, Ernesto. Hello. And hi, Jazz. Thank you for the lurk. Wait, you're not lurking. I see you right there. Right there. Right there. That's you, right? That's you. You have at least 20 amiibo cards. No, I think that's really fun. I've honestly, if I'm being real with you, I've never been a card collector. Like, the only time I ever collected cards was like when I liked Pokemon as a child. But other than that, like, I've never been big on like collecting like paper good things. So I feel like amiibo cards, I have a ton of, I have like every Splatoon amiibo next to me. Not everyone, I have almost every Splatoon amiibo, but like the cards were just like never my thing. Like the randomized cards is not my thing. I have a bunch of Pokemon cards because people would, the only reason why I have a bunch of Pokemon cards in general is because people would give me the ones that I like. So I have like binders of only ones that I like because I don't like the risk of having things I don't like. It just takes up too much space. So I'm picky. You rolled a D21, you're built different. Oh man. Wait, it can't roll higher than a 4? This is too much math. I can't answer any math about this dice. I didn't even know what that meant. Next art project, get some NFC tags and make some custom AC amiibo cards on my little tiny ones. I don't even know where they went because they're so little. They were like so tiny. You lost, I probably lost my illegal amiibo too, if I'm being honest. I guess I could see, I guess I could just go, make the end. Yeah. So sorry, I just couldn't read that whole sentence that you wrote, Chase. It was about 7 words and I couldn't do it. But okay, here's what I think. I love villager hunting. That's a really hot take. Most people don't like villager hunting. I can understand why people wouldn't like villager hunting, but that's like one of those things because I stream it. Like I love streaming it and I love watching it. I love like the risk of like who are you gonna get sort of thing. However, if you do that over and over and over and over again and you keep settling for villagers and you just like really want one villager, I can really understand like just being like, no, I'm just hecking buying the amiibo because it gets really annoying. But I think it's like really fun to like find them, you know, or like have them show up in like the tent, the campsite, whatever. But I think that's not everybody likes villager hunting. Like I know some people are like, I went to 5 islands and I'm bored, and I get that. And I think like, you know, streaming it kind of helps a little bit. No, wait, there's not English support, Sleepless. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, right, CC, and there's a DLC. Well, okay, if I'm being honest though, with Pokemon, historically, I'll play for like a month or 2 and then I get burnt out and I stop. So I don't know if I'll get to the DLC even like when I, even when I get to the end of the game. But who knows? Maybe it'll change. But Pokemon really is like I'll want to play it really badly and then I don't want to play it at all, and then I want to play it really badly. Right now, I want to play it really badly. You love yapping? I do too. I feel like I could be a yapping streamer. I think that has a category. I think it's called just chatting. That's what you did. Wait, I'm not paying attention to this dice command. I'm so sorry. I can't understand it. It's all numbers. It's me you're thinking. I'm thinking about you, Jazz. I love you. I hope you're having a nice evening. Ernesto, I hope you're doing well. I was thinking about me. Oh my god. A person did show up then. Wait, oh yeah. Wait, yeah, you did see, that was crazy. You were like talking to me, you're like, I saw a shooting star. And I was like, wait, that's insane. I don't think I've ever seen a shooting star, and you just like saw one. Jazz, you're good. Go back to lurking. That's why there are trading cards. Trade them with who? You guys gonna take them through my computer? Like, here's my card I don't like. Here you go. I don't know. It's just not a hobby that I'm interested in. If I go back into playing the Pokemon again, who would trade with me? You gotta collect Pokemon from friends. I have friends that buy Pokemon cards, but to be honest, most of my friends that have Pokemon cards are trying to get rid of them all. Like, they're like, I bought too many packs and I do not want them. I'm like, well, oh well. Yeah, I think it's pretty addicting. You found a D20 bug that only lets you roll 1 to 4. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not good, yeah? When I play Animal Crossing, I just take whatever villagers come and go. That's really powerful. I cannot do that. I hit the bottom of my chat. But you know what? We're still gonna yap when I start doing art, okay? But I wanna show you guys what I'm working on. So, this has a story to go along with it. I am trying by December. I don't know if that's gonna happen because of unforeseen circumstances with receiving my merchandise. But I'm trying my best to get my shop open sometime next month. I wanted to open it sometime this month, but to be honest, like I just think with like shipping times and actually realistically receiving everything and packaging it and photographing it and everything, and the holidays coming up, I don't think I'm going to open it before December. If it ends up being like a early January thing, it might, but it might be like an out of my control early January thing, depending on how long things take to get to me. However, I am trying my best to get everything ready in time so that when I do get all the merchandise and I do photograph all the merchandise, like my shop is ready. Like you guys can't, you don't have the link, you don't have access to it, but I actually have, my shop exists, like the page exists, like it's set up. I still have to like attach like the shipping stuff to it, but like the shop page exists. Like I know what layout it's gonna have. I just have to like edit it. Yeah, I can't do it by Black Friday. That's in like 2 weeks. That's not happening. That's not happening, unfortunately. But next Black Friday, it'll be up, which is nice. But it exists, and so earlier this year, I wanted to open a shop, and I was really, really wanting to open a shop. And then you guys probably know that my Etsy shop was open at that point, and I closed it because I didn't like using Etsy. I don't really enjoy Etsy as a platform anymore, and I didn't want my like physical merchandise on there anymore. I still sell some digital things on there because it's just an easy like way to post digital stuff where people can search and find you easily. But I didn't want my own like physical products to be mixed in with like a bunch of dropship stuff and like scams, and like it's just not like a great place anymore, I feel, Etsy, unfortunately. Of course there's lovely things on there and lovely people, but not, it's kind of like half Amazon, half like actual handmade goods. So I didn't want to deal with it. But then when I closed my shop, I realized that I didn't want to just like brand it as like Oyasumi Luna-chan. Like I wanted to have like a separate thing, like you know how like some people will have storefronts and it'll be like not just like their name, it'll be like the name of their shop and it's like a different style. I wanted to do that. Like I wanted to do something like that, and it just like never hit me like what I wanted to do or how I wanted to brand it. So I kind of put it in the back of my mind because I was like, well, I don't want to rush it. I don't want to like, you know, just like think of something really fast just for the sake of thinking something really fast. And then all of a sudden it kind of hit me like what I wanted to work on, which I know that this is like a really long rant, which none of this really matters to you guys, but I'm just letting you know that this is why the artistic process took a long time. But so I ended up making something that I really like, that I'm going to be working on now, that has taken me a disgusting amount of time for it literally to eventually be cropped to a shop banner. That is all I'm doing, is I just needed an artwork that I could crop for a shop banner, and it has turned into a full detailed illustration that has taken me 8.5 hours up until this point to finish, and I've been losing my absolute mind because A, I love it so much, but B, it just took me so long, and I feel like I was like stressing out about it because I was like, oh my god, like it was like, oh my god, it's exactly what I want it to look like, but I've been spending 8 hours on it, like I don't even know if I'm gonna like it, like blah, 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 and I was just going crazy. But anyway, that's my really long ramble as to why it's taken me a year to open my shop, is because of that. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. I'm very happy with it. I decided that Luna is a sketchy storekeeper, and I just wanted to give her a sketchy shop front that looks a little suspicious. That's the idea behind my shop. But because okay, she's a little unhinged in my head, like this thing, this thing. Like I know that I don't like talk about like what I feel like her personality is, but in my head she's like a little kind of gremlin vibes, and like always has been, even though I don't know, like I haven't like spoken about lore with her, but it's like kind of coming together in my brain, and I think I'm like ready to do that soon. But yeah. Anyway, though, the name of the shop, and I think I left the layer in here. I did. The shop is gonna be called Omamori, which this is my first time sharing it. This is not the logo. This is the sketch of the logo. I still have to like figure it out. But basically, if you guys don't know, Omamori are like little Japanese charms that like give you different like things. Like they can be like good luck, or like, you know, traffic safety, or like passing an exam, or meeting your significant other, like blah blah blah, like those sorts of things. But like I feel like you can find a lot of like, it's not Omori. I knew someone was gonna say that. It's not Omori. It's not Omori. I was worried that someone was gonna say that, and you said that so fast. It is not Omori. I've never played Omori. I have no idea what Omori is about. The idea came from two things. The fact that I wanted it to be like something that I could, I don't know, I wanted it to be something that could relate to my name somehow, which is dumb. But then I also, I put this idea in my brain and I couldn't let it go. And I was like, I hope it's not too much like Omamorty. If Omocat comes and sues me, they're not the same. They're not to Min about it. I was like, I like thought of the whole idea and I drew the whole thing. I was like, someone's gonna say it. I was like, someone's gonna tell me it sounds like Omori because they're two similar sounding Japanese words, but the Japanese alphabet has like 4 letters. How much is this? All this costs your love? A joke that makes sense if you played Omori. I never have. This is literally like your inkling is so unhinged. I love that. My shop is a front for high stakes Pokemon battles. It might be, honestly. Hi, Horsefinger. Welcome in. But yeah, this is what I'm working on today. Hang it in a museum and call it cropped. What does that mean? What does that mean? Hold on, let me scroll up. You just had stuffed squash for dinner. Wait, Jess, that sounds so good. Can you share it with me? I know you probably ate it, but yeah, that sounds really good. But Little Buddy is shaded because I needed to, like, in a fit of going insane working on sketch/line art for 8.5 hours, I had to make sure that when I started rendering it, I was actually going to like what I was doing. Which I do, so that's why only Little Buddy is shaded. And now we're gonna start the process of me going insane and trying to put color on this because I've been looking at it in black and white or whatever, blue for so long now. But yeah. Yeah, he's a little test buddy. Isn't he cute though? I think he came out really cute. I need to take down my Halloween decorations, but you don't want to. You should just not do that. I didn't change. I think I posted about it online. I was like, I'm not changing my branding. I like Halloween too much. So nothing's changing, smile. Start to go insane. Yeah, you heard me. This is a little trinket shop, which definitely is not a front for an underground casino. I don't know. I mean, you know, you guys have given me some really great ideas on what this could be so far, which is nice. You buy 50 trinkets and become a casino member. This is funny. Oh my god, thanks, Jess. I'm so excited for the leftovers. But yeah, I'm extremely excited about this. I'm in a fit of, like I said, possible insanity. I'm kind of hoping that I kind of like to get like everything done this weekend. Like I'd like to get this illustration done and the logo done and have like my shop set up as much as possible by this weekend. But like I said, that might be me being a little bit insane because if this line art took me 8.5 hours, that does not mean that the coloring is going to take me much less. So you were gonna just hang in there a little bit. You would gamble at That's so funny. I didn't even think about you guys would like, oh heck. Oh my god, I lost my whole selection. Dude, I hate the select tool. I'll shout it from the rooftops. I hate using the select tool. But what was I saying? Oh, I didn't even like connect you guys thinking about gambling, which is really funny that you already have. It's nice and breezy. That sounds really nice. Blanche would go well on my Japanese themed island. Actually, I think I had Blanche on my island once. I might have had Blanche on my island once. She's not there anymore, but I do think I had her once. Halloween just transitions into Thanksgiving, which transitions into Christmas. Replace one decoration each day. I think my issue with removing all of the Halloween like imagery and like my emotes and stuff is I love them so much. Like I really love them. Like I don't want to change them because I feel like I don't want to go back to my banner and my icon that was on my Discord prior. And like, I guess I could maybe replace the banner and icon with this art eventually because I'm spending so much time on it. But at the same time, I'm just like I kind of want to draw something new, or I don't know. I feel insane lately. I just want to work on stuff always. It's like a blessing and a curse to be this crazy. To be this crazy. Why did that not change that blue? There we go. I don't exactly know what colors I'm gonna make the cart yet, so I'm gonna separate a bunch of layers because I think I might change some stuff frequently. Hi, Linky! How are you? How was your stream earlier today? Welcome in. I'll send my Inkling and his boyfriend and they can gamble away. Oh my god, thank you so much. That's such a mood. I don't know how Procreate is, but typically with most art programs that allow keyboard imports, you can use Shift, Alt or Shift respectively with the selection tools to shave off and add on to sections. No worrying about being super precise in case. I don't think I have a tool like that, if I'm being honest with you, because I don't have a keyboard. Maybe I do though. I don't know. I feel like sometimes there's things in Procreate that I'm like, I like didn't know how to use, and then suddenly like 3 years later, it's like, you can do this. And I'm like, what do you mean I can do this? So who knows? You totally should. No, wait, but don't you have a lot of points, Lanky? No. Sudi's house too. Yeah, Horsefinger. I'm pretty content with my villagers right now. However, it's nice to know what other styles might match my island. I definitely do want to get back into Animal Crossing again, but I think that I'll probably wait a little bit until the update, because it's kind of weird right now, right? Like I really want to finish my fall island. However, I'm really struggling with that island. Like, I really, really love my fall island a lot, and I love like the fall, and there's some parts of that island that I adore, but there's other parts of that island that I'm just not happy with. Like, I don't know how to describe it other than like not happy with it. And this happened to me when I was on Sakuranbo too, my main island. And I feel like I just like eventually like went in and like destroyed whatever was bothering me. But for some reason, I feel like I can't bring myself to like destroy really large sections of the fall island, because I'm like, oh my God, then I have to do it again. And I'm like, with the update coming, I kind of just want to go back to the main island, you know? Like I miss being on that island, because I feel like that island is like where I fell in love with Animal Crossing, you know? But maybe I'm just overthinking it, because yeah, that's what we do as humans, right? I was in Fields watching a story unfold. It's a sad ending. No, I hope you're feeling okay from the sad ending. Nice Horsefinger. I hope that was fun. Have you thought about inviting Larry to your island? I have not. No. Tempting. Don't do it. Clip Studio Paint does, but in my opinion, it feels better to still outline the items you want to select. Yeah, that's really fair, honestly. Yeah, I tend to like, instead of I know you can't really see what I'm doing, but instead of drawing the selection, I tap it. So like I don't know if I could do it like really dramatic. Like I like, see how like in sections I tap on my iPad, and that helps a lot, because I feel like when I'm just like doing this, that makes it harder. Real the right middle and bottom side of my island need a revamp, but I don't know what I would do. Yeah, I think honestly too, it's like totally fine to wait until the update, because I feel like maybe once the update happens, like people overall will just be feeling like a lot more inspired, and maybe some new ideas will come about, you know? Half the time I use the point section tool because your hands would explode. Yeah, I need to be really mindful of like how much I'm really actively using my hands when I'm drawing. So typically anything where I can get away with like tapping or doing some sort of like slightly, I don't want to say easier route, but like, you know, like a route that's not me like carving everything out all the time helps a lot. Oh my God, stop gambling. Stop it. Yeah, I think you should wait, Orange, because then you can like destroy large sections at once too, which will be really helpful, and it'll just like save a lot of time, you know? Okay, so this is like the backdrop. I'm not entirely sure what color I want to make this stall in general. I think I definitely want to keep it a blue, or like this sort of a color. This is the part that's like pushed further back though, so I'm gonna make it this dark color, and then we're gonna go in and do the front. A lot of this illustration is really technical, which is another reason why it took me so hecking long to like actually, you know, get everything done. I had to like do like a mix of like turning on the perspective tool on and off, turning on the grid tool on and off. It just took forever. I actually think though I can make this into a big blob. I think I'm gonna make this a big blob. Oh my God, it's weird seeing color on this. It's exciting though, because it's taken me so long to get to this point. This is gonna look a little weird for a while, by the way, until I get everything down. No, don't go all in. Don't go all in. Baby's your favorite. Aw. This means you have until, yeah, you have a long time until everyone starts brain running Animal Crossing again. I'll do a little, but it usually doesn't like rewards winning back. Oh, for the gambling? I still need to find something that basically is a wrist brace, because tapping on a tablet all day is apparently bad. Yeah, definitely take care of your hands. Like really take care of your hands. I have a lot of hand struggles from drawing, even like taking it easy, you know? So definitely take care of your hands. Oh, look, you won. Yay. If I gamble all, will I win? Leading towards no with a rainbow kappa is insane, actually. That is insane. You guys should just not gamble. That's what I think is best. If you just don't gamble. I don't know what color I want to make this sign yet. Or the signs. I thought about doing this off stream, but then I was literally last night I was drawing until Min was like, call me now. And then we played Peak. I was like going insane, like talking about finishing this and until we played Peak. I want to play Peak. Just saying. You had a Subway sandwich, was it good? Give a fun now! It's just a lo-fi playlist, Horsefinger. Wait, what did Viri do? Wait. Oh my god. Wait, Linky, you can't do anything ever again. Viri is too smart for this world sometimes, I think. Like, that's what I just think. Wait, don't play Peak by yourself! Can you even do? You would no, don't do that. Don't do that. No, not without me. You can't gamble ever. You can't gain points though ever either. I'm so sorry. Yeah, we played Peak without you guys. I'm sorry. To be honest, we did worse than we did when we played on stream. I'm not gonna lie to you. We played pretty bad. We froze to death. Min fell into an abyss that we couldn't get out of. We played really bad. New Peak update, excited to die. I don't think that we did the update part. I don't know how you get the update. Me and Min also have no idea how to play Peak. We're just obsessed with talking about it and playing it twice. Maybe more than twice would be nice. I know what I did, but look at the pretty number. No, that was crazy what you just did. But like in a good way. That's so funny. You have no clips of it? Uh-oh. I guess we have to play for real again. We should play though. We should play. Min was saying we should play with more people, and then I was like, I got a little bit nervous. If I'm being really honest with you guys, I'm really bad at play. I'm not a good team player with those kinds of games because you blink twice and I'm like in the opposite direction. And I like fully know that I do it too. I'm like I'm like, ooh, I see something shiny and I just leave. And I know I'm doing it, but I can't stop. Like I need to go to the shiny all the time. $1 and Peak Wednesdays. What? Is it $1 and then we play Peak on Wednesday? What does that even mean? Do we split the dollar? Should I PayPal you 50 cents? You didn't see the vision until you're already in the act. That's so funny. No, don't gamble all. Don't gamble all. What is this? What are these lines? I hope that they were fun to watch, Horsefinger. But just like running around, you know? I just think that running around is very fun. Am I good at running around? No, but am I having fun doing it? Mm-hmm. I do. Me, low stamina and eating. No, but that actually happened. I was in a cave when that happened. I was literally in a cave. I love when someone walks on the explosive thing in the jungle and they go flying. Scary. No worries, Horsefinger. All right, you guys can have fun with the gambling. I'm not getting involved. No refunds.
$1 hair peak tax.
All right, man, are you ready for Wednesday? Wednesday on twitch.tv/themoviemin. You said it. Thanks for the 100 bits. Thank you. I'll just start with wait, what? Wait, what is Orange talking about? I lost track of the conversation because of the gambling. You gave all 21, man. Sorry, I've lost track of everything because of the gambling. Please leave a message after the beep. I don't know what color I want anything yet. Actually, I know I want this to be red. This is gonna have so many layers. Oh, I missed a spot with the base on this. Beep! All 21 stars go straight to you. Isn't that so nice? I think that's the nicest thing ever. I do want to play more Peak though. I feel like I'm in this like phase where I want to play like 5 million games at once. I think I've been talking about this a little bit lately. Like I feel like I'm like Like I play one game and then I'm like, oh, I want to play this game forever. And then I play another game and I'm like, oh, I want to play this game forever too. And it's like, I keep going like back and forth with like nonstop wanting to play so many different games all the time. Do you know that feeling? That's what I've been like lately, and I can't explain why. But it's fun, right? Thanks, Nadia. No worries, Horsefinger. Welcome back. Yeah, there's so many cool games. Hey! Thank you for the bits! The solution to wanting to play more games is 24 hours stream now! I should put the Bing Bong plush on my throne. Send me the link. I don't know if I can do that. Play all the games at once forever. I think that the solution is I just need to not work. We just all need a break from work. Yeah, it says on my body. That's gonna be the name of my shop. Whenever my merchandise arrives. I'm really working, guys. I'm really trying hard. I'm really trying very hard. He's playing Path of Exile. Ever heard of that game? I've heard of it. That one I've never played. For me to play Omorty? I don't know. You're not working tomorrow and Monday? Wait, that's so nice. That would be so nice. Wait, did you have a long day today, Cece? So actually this isn't Omamorty. These are Omamorty. Omamortys are like little like Japanese like charms or amulets that like, usually will like bring either different kinds of luck or like different kinds of like things that you need. Like so each one will say like one might say like this one will bring you good luck, one might say this will bring you like safety, one will say this will bring you like success on your exam. I feel like those are really common ones. That's why I decided to name the shop after. I think of the amazing art this would eventually have me to create when doing Omorty. Oh. If you mention Omorty, you owe me 100 dusk stars. That's the toll. Started the day with a few timed orders. Wait, 95 pizzas before? That's insane. That's insane. Wait, that's so many pizzas. Hi, Chaos Heart. Thank you so much for the 5 bits. Thank you. I appreciate it. Welcome in. Hi, Alex. Ever heard of Lily from Pokemon Sun and Moon? I love, I've never played Pokemon Sun and Moon, actually. But welcome in. I might change a lot of these colors after, but that doesn't matter right now. It's always so weird, like, starting to add in the colors on top of everything and just everything looks mad strange. But it's a part of the artistic process. I think I might do the color on Luna, though, because I feel like it looks weird. I don't know what this color is. I have a palette for... I have so many palettes. I rely so much on my Procreate palettes for my skin tone. There we go. What did you just delete Sleepless's message? Oh my god. Oh my god. You only played Pokemon. Oh, you played Pokemon Yellow? Yeah, I had that one too. I don't remember a single thing about playing Pokemon Yellow besides the fact that I played it on my Pikachu Game Boy Color from back in the day. Guess I don't have to do this very neatly. I'm really excited to see what everything looks like after I actually shade neatly, though. The color blocking phase is so awkward. Shoulder. I played Pokemon. Oh, I already read that. Wait a minute. Oh my god. You guys are just so funny. Hee ha ha. Color blocking is your favorite. You love paint by numbers. Honestly, it's like not that it's not relaxing. I just like, do you ever just feel like it's so strange in the beginning? It feels so weird. You're right though. It is kind of like paint by numbers. The battery said no. Min mod. Line art would just strangle me if it could though. So for this piece, I didn't really do line art. I did the thing. Well, I did, but I didn't. I did the thing where you like clean up your sketch because I worked so hard on the sketch. I didn't want to draw on top of it, but I ended up needing to kind of change a little bit from the sketch anyway, because the sketch was really messy. Like Like, I feel like my sketches are sometimes often on the messy side, but like, I feel like whenever I'm working with perspective, which I was doing with this to get the angle correct for the stall, like, it just like looks to me like so much messier. Thank you for the 5 bits again. Thank you. Hi DJ, how are you? Your first Pokemon was Pokemon White. Oh, I see. You played a little at every game since Gen 5. I love that. That's so great. And DJ, I hope you're doing well today. Nice horse finger. Thank you for your daily. If you make drastic changes to your sketch to clean it up, you might as well just like, yeah, color blocking is so fun. Seeing my vision come to life. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I will not that I feel like I was complaining, but I will not complain. I just feel like it looks strange, you know? But that's okay. We're gonna make it through this with my 500 layers because I feel like I'm gonna end up changing stuff. I'm worried about that. I'm worried about changing, like, deciding to change the colors. Blueberry pie is not a New Horizons. Oh man. Yo, Apotheosis, thank you for the 10 stream streak. I appreciate it. Welcome in. Shopkeeper here giving. Are you gonna actually buy something today? Are you just here to admire the merchandise again? I think that you hit the nail on the head. I think you hit the nail on the head. I feel like this is what she would be like if she owned a shop. You know what? If she owned a shop, she would not want to sit here. Just like myself, actually. I wouldn't want to sit here either. I would want to get up. As example A, I was just describing about how I'm constantly running away in peak and I'm a bad teammate. I usually do art physically with fine liners. Oh, so color blocking is usually the only thing you do. That's really cool though. That's cool. I miss traditional art. It's very cold out. You need to start layering. Oh, and you do this at night. Yeah, it is really getting cold. I feel like today was one of the first days I went outside and I was like, man, it actually is like pretty chilly, but it's been really windy here, just like in general. CC? You still have Bon Bon and Marshall. Those are good villagers. A fashion artist. Wait, Naru, that's so cool. Hi, Pyrai. How are you? How have you been? Welcome in. Good evening. I do want this to have like a pretty dark vibe to it too. I don't want there to be like, I think, white in this really at all. I think. The song is so relaxing. 34 degrees, that's really cold. Yeah, it's cold where I am. I can give you, I don't know what the temperature is. My phone's usually in Celsius. Because whenever I'm relaying the temperature to people, it's always people that ask that it reads Celsius. Oh, it's in the 30s here. I didn't realize it was that cold. Thank you guys for your dailies. Yeah, Linky, no, you need a cold winter. I demand it. I demand your state to just suddenly be colder. Did it work? Did it work? It's cold and a bit wet. Hopefully, that's better than what you've got now. It's kind of the same here. I feel like it's like a pretty typical fall day. And that's how I described it in my lesson I had earlier today. Typical fall day. Good. So tired though. Your friend crashed at your place in the middle of the night yesterday, on and off sleeping throughout the day. I hope it was a good kind of crash and not like a bad kind of crash. Sudden plans can be tiring though. I hope that you had fun. I hope it was a nice time. Imagine drinking Celsius. Is that an energy drink? Going to summon to climate chaos. I mean, it's okay. I think it's okay. You had cold winter with snow in January. Yeah, it was actually really snowy here. I remember this past like winter. It was really nice though. I really love the snow. I know that it's cold, but I don't know. I like the way that the earth looks when it's covered in snow. I think it's very pretty. I think that, so the one thing I haven't decided is if I wanna remove the shading that I did on the eyes yet. I'm gonna have to figure that out. I did a little bit of coloring with the line art / sketch / whatever the heck this is layer that that I've been working with. You built a snowman. Aw, Velvet, thank you so much for the lurk. Welcome in. A Nightbot temperature converter. Wait, that would be cool. That would be cool, Miri. You can either whisper it, I guess, to men if they're not busy, or Or you can post it in chat, I guess, too, if you want to. It's an energy drink. I don't want that. Imagine a fall day. You don't get that. No, CC. I wish you guys could all have nice fall days. I love the wedding art in the right-hand corner. Oh, with the dresses. I know which one you're talking about, I think, if that was the one. Shadow, thank you for the 200 stream streak. What the heck? That's so many streams. Thank you, Shadow. How are you doing today? Wait, that's crazy. A lot of you guys are hitting like crazy numbers today in various things. We've gotten like 200 pastries and now 200 stream streak. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Shadow. No energy drink. No. Wait, you hate Discord? Oh, God. I feel like Discord is doing some strange things lately. I'm not sure what that was in response to, but I also feel like Discord is doing some strange things. I don't like this new tagging system where when you start typing somebody's name, you automatically start tagging them. I think is dumb. I really don't like that. Like at all. Because I keep accidentally almost tagging people and I'm like, dude, I don't want to do this. Discord doesn't recognize that I'm still subbed to your channel on Twitch. Try disconnecting and reconnecting your Twitch to your Discord. Is your name showing up as purple? I feel like people have had that issue before, and if you disconnect and reconnect, it might help. That's almost 201. Oh my god. I need to get back to my Inkling and Octolings OC because it's been, oh my gosh. That's okay, Naru. I feel like it's okay to like, you know, if you don't have any ideas at the moment or like you're not doing something at the moment, I don't think that that's like always a bad thing, you know? Like your art and your ideas are always going to be there whenever you go back to them. That's what I tell myself. Yeah, maybe it's a bug. You notice different people's names are showing us different fonts in Discord. I have noticed the font thing. I don't know how I feel about the fonts. I think that they're fun, but I just feel like there's so much stuff on Discord now, and it's like a little bit, it's starting to get a little overwhelming for me. Like, you know what I mean? I'm sorry if that takes the fun out of it. And like, if you want to enjoy all the things that Discord has, I think that you should, but some of it is like a lot. Like, I think some of it's too much for me. Sheldon, I'm gonna need your pics ASAP, man. I hope you'll get them. I hope we all get them. You're semi-retired from Splatoon, so the OC lore has come to a halt. Yeah, that's fair, honestly. That's very fair. Very, very fair. It's fun to think about characters, but like, you know, don't push it, which I know you probably know. Nitro can change the, yeah, you can change the fonts. I'm not fond of the fonts, to be honest. They really trip me up and there's no way to turn it off in accessibility. That's really weird. I like being able to have a standard font to read in names. That's, yeah, I hope I can turn it off. It makes your brain go a little wild. I understand that. I feel like, for me, the fonts kind of bother me and the banners being really crazy bother me. And some names glow now. I don't like the glowing names. I feel like it's like, I understand that like they want it to be like really customizable, but I think that like it hits a point sometimes where it just like, it feels like everything's being thrown at you at once. And I don't really think that that's great personally. Nice, Horsefinger. Yeah, thanks for the tea. Yeah, I don't like the glow. They've gone past the point of yeah, clutter is a really good way to describe it, honestly. Like some things I think are fun. Like I think that the server tags are fun. I think that that's a nice thing, but and like I think that like the when you click on the icon and they have the icon designs or whatever, like that's okay. You don't like the glowing names, me either. That's what those unique, yeah, they're throwing me off. Cinnamon chai sounds good. But yeah, I'm honestly, I'm not a fan of it. I think it's a little bit too much. And I don't know, like, what's the point? Like, is it to make like yourself stand out? Like, is there a point to it besides just it being customization? Yeah, you have Nitro, but to make your profile picture and banner match. I honestly forget often that profile pictures are a banner, or sorry, banners are a Nitro thing. I keep forgetting that. I've had Nitro for a very, very long time. So some things I'm just like, oh yeah, I forgot. I don't know. I feel like it's just starting to get a little too much. But I think that the other thing is like once they start introducing things, I don't think they can really take them away because then people will complain that really like them, you know? Bye, Horsefinger. Have a good night and good stream. No worries, no worries. Enjoy, Guapo. Have a good night. Take care, guys. I mean, yeah, I think the emotes are the biggest reason why I have it. But also I like having my banner. I think that's so strange though that you can just have like, I don't know. I feel like it's just a little too much. I feel like it's a little bit too much in my personal opinion. I think it's too much. Tell that to Nogami, who took away your splash with Zipcaster. No. Yeah. I just think it's like, I don't really like when things start to feel like they're like distracting, and I feel like they feel like they're distracting. Cece, that makes me really happy. I think that one's so good. Yeah, I'm glad that we're kind of in agreement of Discord being like a little bit too much, because sometimes I just feel like sometimes I have to actually think to myself, I'm like, am I just old and sensitive to weird things? And then I'm like, I don't know. Maybe yes to being old, but then no to being a little sensitive to things. You know? I'm gonna run out of layers so fast in this piece. I feel like the last new thing they should have added in the terms of the customization should have been the server tags. Yeah. I like my server tag. I think that that's like good though, you know? Fourth kiss, hear me out. I love the server tags, but these new Nitro things are too much. I do wish the server tags had like, I actually wish that the server tag icons had a bit more customization, because you can change like the hex code, the like color of them, but you can't, like there's not a lot of icons to choose from. And I know that we had one in my Discord server for a while. I think that our like, okay, I have like a couple hot takes though with the server tags, because basically, unless you have like a stupid number of boosts, you have to choose between if you want a server tag, the glowy names, or for me, like in my case, I have to choose between that and I think like the level 3 boost. Like wherever we're at now, I have to choose between. And if I lose the boost level that we're at now, then we lose our banner and we lose our sticker slots, and like we lose a lot of stuff. And I'm like, I would rather have the banner and the sticker slots than have the tag personally, because I feel like it just makes the server look nicer. And I know you guys use the stickers, I use the stickers, but then like it's weird because I can choose like where to use you guys as boosts. Like I can use them for the server tag. If we don't have enough, I can choose between like the level that I'm on and like the tag, or the level that I'm on and the name flare or whatever it is. And I don't really like that. I don't know, but you need the Sheikah sticker. No, I know. I think that like the stickers I've chosen are like good personally for the server. But if I gave you guys the server tags back, we would lose like half of the stickers, or like a good chunk of them. Like whatever the boost level we're on now, I think has the biggest density of stickers. I don't know. And it's just expensive to boost a server. Like, I don't know. It's just, I wish I could keep the server tag because I thought it was cute, but I opted to just, as the server owner, be like, I think I would prefer to have the sticker slots and the, yeah. There are only 8 options. If you shade, there's something, it's really few. When you become old, no, it's for real. Server boosts are so confusing, and I think that they gave server owners like 2 free boosts or something, like when they introduced the tags, but like you could only use them for one or the other, like choosing like these fun perks or not. And it really confused me a lot, because like I didn't like how it gave you like a lot of things where it was like, oh, are you sure you want to remove these people's boosts from here and put them here? And I'm like, no, I don't know. Like it was just confusing. I feel like boosting should be permanent, and once you've unlocked something, you've unlocked it for good. That would be really nice. Or I feel like it should be cheaper. Like, isn't it like $4 or $5 a month or something to boost? Like, I know that Nitro users get 2 free boosts, like just in general, where you can use wherever, like you can put it in any server, which I think is really nice. But I don't know. It's just weird. Like, I wish I could give you guys all the options in the world, like, you know, everything. But I'm like, I also like, I don't know, sir. I feel like server boosting is whereas it's very appreciated, I'm like, it's kind of expensive if you're not already a Nitro user to like pay extra for it. You know what I mean? That's how I feel. Like that's like I use my 2 free boosts on my own server, and like that's it. Like I'm not paying extra to like have these perks. I feel like it's not really like really worth it in my opinion. I don't know. Make it cheaper, because yeah, it's super expensive. Everything on Discord should be cheaper. I think so too, honestly. I think that Nitro should be cheaper. I think that there should be like Nitro tiers. Like I feel like that would be good. I don't know. The whole system feels very unintelligible on purpose to get people to spend more. It's really, really bizarre. $2 a month on Nitro tops. I feel like that would get you like one server boost and that's it. Discord just really likes that money. Yeah, and I feel like once you start using it too, it's hard to switch. Oh yeah, there's basic and premium, but there should be like an even more basic, like super basic. Hi, Toon Kid. Yeah, that's true. There is a file limit still. You spend, yeah, I pay the $9.99 or whatever for Nitro. I mean, I use it. Like the thing is I do use it. Like I use my Discord Nitro probably every time I open Discord because I use emotes like from other servers all the time. So like I am, oh my God, why can't I select this? So I am using it. Like I'm spending my money on it and I'm using it, but it's just like, I don't know. I don't know. Basic doesn't even really have anything worth past emotes. Ugh. Wait, how much? I wonder if I don't know which one I pay for now. I pay $9.99 a month. It hurts my wallet over time, but I do use yeah, see, that's the thing is like sometimes it pains me like when I am paying monthly for things, but then I have to remind myself that like I do use this constantly. So in a way I find it worth it, but I don't know. Insanely basic, super basic, deluxe, basic, light, basic. That's perfect, I think. You don't know what's happening on Discord? You don't know what's happening? What's up, Shadow? 500. Oh, I don't know. I just don't like having to pay a lot of money for things, if I'm being honest. Like I don't like to throw my money into the void. Of course, it depends on what I'm throwing my money into the void for, but you know. $0 a month. Yeah. Whatever. I guess. Wait, she looks cute. Discord is like my internet calendar for games or events or announcements. Yeah, I mean, honestly, no, even though like it's expensive, I use Discord constantly. Like I use it all the time. Like I pay for it, but I also use it all the time. So like in a way it's like whatever, I guess. If I didn't use it and I was paying for it, that would be one thing, but yeah. I want to put like little bits of red somewhere. I don't know if I want to make the circles on the cheeks or... Oh my God, it's like that time of the year where my contacts hurt in my eyes. Ugh, I always notice it like right whenever I start streaming. Did you disconnect your Twitch from your Discord and reconnect it, Shadow? Oh, then I have the premium one then. Because I'm boosting my own server. I don't know. I feel like though as a creator, not that you have to boost your own server or anything like that. I do feel like my server boost is worth it because I love our Discord. Like Discord is like, even though I'm complaining about the prices, like my Discord server is like my child. Like I love the Discord. Like I don't know like what this community would be like if we did not have Discord. Well, it would be weird to be a content creator and not have Discord in general, I feel at this point. Or a streamer. I'm not a content creator, or I don't consider myself a content creator. I just sit here and be silly. But yeah, like even though I'm complaining, like I don't mind spending a little bit extra on the community that I very much so love. So, you know, if it means you guys get extra stickers, then that's good. That's weird. Maybe it's just a bug in the moment, Shadow. You know, we love being silly here. Yeah, I like it here. I like the circles. Okay, I feel a little bit better with her being shaded in, actually. This makes me feel like things are not just like floating in time and space. But where are the... Oh, okay. I was like, but where are my objects that were floating in time and space? Thank you, Viri. The Luna Discord is great. It gave me the link to this stream. I forgot to post it. I forgot to post it. Dude, sometimes I'm just a fool. And you know what? That's who I am. I think that this week, not only did I forget to post my own stream link, I also shared Min's stream link when I went live. So I think I'm really a winner. I think I'm really winning at awareness challenge of my own Discord. They glow in the dark menacingly. Wait, that would be really cute. I don't know though, but I'm not like, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if art is like content. I feel like that's a weird, the word content is a very strange one to me. I feel like there's like a, I don't know how to describe it. I don't know if I'm making any sense either. Oh no, Sumi, Luna Chatter, sarcastic nemesis. Oh my god. Figured it. Yeah, I feel like it probably, if you're disconnecting and reconnecting, it could just be like some sort of a weird bug that hopefully will just fix itself. Thank you, Sage. Yeah, or I just feel like I don't know if I always like consider, I don't know how to describe it, because I don't really know if I consider, for me, like this is just a me personally thing. I don't know if I consider streaming for me content, because but maybe that's a me thing, because I literally just sit here and I do whatever I want. And I'm like, I feel like if I'm a content creator, like, doesn't that mean that I like have to pay attention to like anything? Like I just sit and do what I want. And I don't know if I consider myself, I don't know. But that's a weird, it's a weird thing. I don't know. You're downloading the stuff so you can get, yay, that's exciting. Wait, Dream, I can't wait to hear about it. Anything, yeah, anything. Yeah, Shadow, maybe it's good to step away from it. I know that can be really hard when you're anxious about something, but I trust that it'll fix itself out. I know it's stinky though. I wish all of the artists and or aspiring artists reading this may I never consume your content. Yeah, I think that's what we're saying. I paid attention. I did pay attention. I did. I don't know if that makes sense though. I don't know. In this age of internet, sometimes I just feel like I'm here being silly, and that's enough for me. You know? Or that's how I feel. I'm just being silly. Content creator is just a euphemism for sitting in front of a camera and yapping. Yeah, but I feel like content creators like make content. Like I don't actually like video content. I don't think I do that. I recycle clips sometimes, but I don't actually like sit down and like make videos for consuming. You know? I don't know, maybe it's just a me perspective. I want this to be red. I'll do the leaves. I need to label these layers that I'm just putting literally anything on, because I'm never gonna find them. Ah! Can you imagine if I just enabled dictation and that's what I said? Ah! Sure, but what if she's not content? What if I'm discontented about she may be a creator, but to say she's a content, oh my god, this is funny. Jack is doing my content. I don't know, maybe it's a weird disconnect that I as an old person feel from current social media and what I feel like I do on social media. Maybe I'm just insane. I don't know, maybe I'm just delusional. Let me live in my delusional world. Okay, I have to label some layers. I can't not label any layers. Some of them I really do have to name or else I get lost. It's like a jungle. And I can't get out. Pros clicked on the names on accident and named this. Is that what you do? Is that speaking from experience? So you need a keyboard to do that. Not an iPad, maybe. Which one is the any layer? You're thinking very, very smart. That's a good question. That's a good question. Do I want to make that eye a different color, or do I want to make it a different shade of red? maybe a different color. Anything that I don't know what I want it to be colored, I'm gonna color it blue, I think. Ooh, the dark is kind of cool. That's too dark. I'm gonna fix that later. When I do use my tablet for art, I never label my layers. It's just layer 1. I mean, I think that's fine. I like labeling some of them. Like I usually label like I have to label the folders. That's like really important because I hate like just mindlessly clicking around. Like I need to at least like know where things are relative, like roughly. I think I want this to be red, but I don't know if that's going to be too much red in this like top here. No. Thanks, Horsefinger. Thank you so much. Welcome back. Is this going to be one of those arts that gets progressively creepier and more unnerving the longer you look at the details? I feel like it's going to be one of those. Maybe. Maybe if eyes weird you out. I used to do a lot of art with eyes. Like the fact that I've held off from drawing something like sort of unnerving with an eye for this long is actually very out of character for me and impressive. Like actually. Sometimes you forget to do layers and you make everything on one layer. No, I can't do that. I can't do one layer. I go back and like change colors, like really. I have this thing with color where color needs to be exactly how I want it or I'm not happy. And if there's like sometimes where like I feel like I need to edit the colors so everything's on separate layers so I can edit them easier and not have to select everything again. You know? Repeat T. Whoa! I mean, I guess after 144 Ts, that's definitely gonna happen. That's 12. Wow, baby! There's so much math in here tonight. What did I do to deserve all this math? I don't know how to do any of this math. Too much. Too much math. Nope. I'm gonna do that. You love math? No. The coin. Hydrate. I'm gonna drink some tea too. Yay, Naru! Yeah, there's no wrong way to do your layers unless you put them in like an order that is inconvenient. You know? I just tend to edit stuff a lot, which is why I prefer to work in separate layers. So that I can just have an easier time, really. But that is all. Sandwich. Put one stroke on every layer. That would be a really interesting art challenge. I don't know. Every time I draw, I usually... I don't know if I want to use any yellow in this at all. So I'm going to make that orange for now. I think I want to do, like, selective color. For the vibe. That's cute. I think that's cute. Oh my god, just sit up. What is that? Nightbot is like, please step aside. Over here. What is? Oh wait, is this the oh wait, no, here, I'll do this. This is so funny to me though. This is so funny. Hold on, I got you. I just can't believe the amount of numbers that have been in my chat today. Like, what did I do to ask for all these numbers? Hold on, wait. Nobody move. Thanks, Viri. Easy, Mongoose. Wow. Yeah, I did a mod action. Where's my mod counter? Where's my mod counter? Wait, but it works though. Wow. So now we can always know the temperatures. Thank you. I was a mod 40 times. I've done more than 40 streams, so I think this means I'm a mod really often. Maybe speaks in numbers and stories. It's funny. Guys, if all we get done is the color blocking today, I would still count that as a win because of how much is going on in this artwork. Although I think I see a spot I missed. No! Linky's also well versed. Yeah, Linky can do math too, right? Don't know what that means. What the heck is that? It's it's me adding a command. What do you mean, what the heck is that? Aren't you so proud of me? It's a temperature command. Oh, cool, horse finger. Wow. 1 + 1. No, that's the kind of math that I like to do too. I get it. But there's a temperature converter now. I think that's pretty cool. The moon is not out tonight. Oh, the rain is out. Yeah, I think that I probably wouldn't be able to see the moon either, honestly, because it's pretty something out there. I don't know. It was a little bit rainy today, so I feel like I'm probably not gonna be able to see it. No. Nice. You're gonna leave? You can't retire. You just can't. Like, that's not allowed. I don't know what else to tell you, but you actually can't leave. So that stinks. Stinks for you. Sorry. Don't unmod yourself. Don't do it. No. Can't retire. If you retire, I'll cry, all of you. Just kidding. If you have to leave, I understand. Just kidding. I'm being dramatic. I can't not be a little dramatic sometimes, you know? Have a good retirement. Sally has 3 dogs and Jeff has 2 cats. If they want mac and cheese for dinner, how many pints of milk do they need to buy at the store? Dude, that's literally what it felt like doing math as a kid in high school. Like, that was what the problem sounded like in my brain. Listen, I wasn't very good at math. This wasn't my strong suit. But that's what it felt like. What it felt like. I've been walking off into the sunset, hanging up the green sword. Nah, after timing me out one last time. Oh my god. They can't do that. What do you mean? I would cry. I'm having a flashback to when I unmodded myself voluntarily in Falco's channel. And then instead of him modding me, we wanted to see if it was possible. And then instead of him modding me again, he laughed at me and VIP'd me. I was so mad. I was like, I didn't think I could actually do it. And you didn't put it back. Well, he did eventually. I hated math, yet somehow you were good at it. That's good, though. The math questions are always so crazy, though. Yeah, they're like always weird. I feel like most of them are just words to trip you up. And I did get tripped up. I would get really confused. I would be like, what do you mean by all these words? I don't get it. And then I would choose the wrong answer or whatever. But yeah, you can unmod yourself. Oh my god. Sorry, I just threw my Apple Pencil. I guess though, like, this is like kind of insane, but I feel like people can unmod you, like, even if they don't know you. Like, I could be modded in people's channels that like have never spoken to me before. So in a way, it's like I understand why you can unmod yourself, because that's hecking weird. But yeah. Oh my god, they could buy dairy-free mac and cheese or even pre-made mac and cheese from a different establishment, or they could steal the milk. Many possibilities. You should, I hope that you would write those sorts of things down on the assignments, because I think that you'd get an A+. I think those are the kinds of answers that you just would win, you know? I don't think there's any other answer than what you just described anyway. Yeah, I just hated all of those sorts of problems. I didn't like them. Your favorite song from a rock band is Enter Sandman. Cool. What if Oyasumi Larry-chan? No! Oyasumi Larry-chan has not shown up in a while, so no mod for them. No mod for them. Not that I would mod them if they showed up. I'm a mod on Twitch's personal channel. That would be actually insane. Could you imagine modding on Twitch? Do you think that people get paid at that point? Like, at what point, at what level of moderation do you start getting paid to be a mod? You know? I would hope that that's a level. It's always kids eating or having absurd amounts of candy. Like, what do you mean a kid ate 50 pieces of candy? I know. They are always weird. Like, is that how the tests were trying to like be relatable or something? Like talking about candy. Which, speaking of, are you guys still enjoying Halloween candy? I am. It's like the only time I ever eat like American candy is like around Halloween. I've been having one little piece here and there, and it's been fun. You are? Yay! What if it's counting like a single M&M? I mean, I feel like, okay, not to debunk this, but I feel like 50 Skittles and or 50 M&Ms is still a lot of food. I feel like that's still a lot of candy, dare I say. I'm sorry to say, but I still feel like that's a lot. You know what my nephew just did because he was tired of your shenanigans? I do want to know. 10 mod salaries. I wish I could pay you guys. Unfortunately, I can't do that. I pay you in love and appreciation for your assistance. He yanked off your glasses. Wait, that's kind of hilarious. That's kind of funny. Were you okay though? I hope you were not harmed in the action of this yanking off your glasses. What does this Oma Morty have any specials or discounts on Halloween candy? They definitely do. Yeah, it's a ghost kitty. It's my ghost cat. Wait. I have to put it in the chat because I don't feel like clicking off of my Procreate. I hope that that's okay with you. But I can show you other art of the ghost kitty. It's on my Blue Sky. It's in my it's my banner, and then let me find the art. Let me share it in the chat. Wait a minute. Here comes the art. There it is. Look at it. Okay, I'm closing this. Time to name its name is Lavender. It's my ghost kitty from Stardew Valley. It's my Lavender cat. Remember? No, we don't. Sleepless. This is like the third back-to-back art with Ghost Kitty. I like the ghost cat a lot. Maybe. It's adorable. Thank you. I really like that one a lot. I really love all the art I made around Halloween. Like all of it. Oh my god, which speaking of, I made the panel for my Halloween art, the big illustration to go up here, and I forgot to include it. I was like, I'm definitely gonna remember to put this on stream. I'm sorry, I got distracted. Maybe I'll remember like a month from now. You could absolutely sell a glow-in-the-dark transparent sticker of the kitty. That would be such a good idea, actually. Long time no see. I've decided to give you mod for... Oh, Jesus Christ. You did not mod me in... Oh, you know you can, like, see the channels that you're modded in? I can't... I'm so happy that I'm a mod in number 1 dad, Oyasumi Larry. I think that I made it big, guys. And Ior's finger, thank you very much. Thank you for the compliment. I can check. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Thank you for the tea. Yeah, I'll get on that. Give me 3 to 5 business years and I'll check for you. Hope that works. Hope that you understand I'm so busy. I'm just so busy. I'm gonna... Wow, that's so bright. Ooh, wait, that's kind of cool though. I feel like the dark should be underneath, but it's kind of fun with the light underneath. Hold on, let's think logistically here. Things I don't like to talk about, thinking logistically. Wait, see, this is a pain because I put these on the same... Oh, wait. Uh-oh. Oh, hold on. No, that makes more sense. Oh, I drew on, heck. I drew on this thing. Doesn't matter what color it is. Sorry, I'm distracted. Did I mess anything else up? No, okay. The ghost cat has a name! What are you talking about? Name the ghost cat. Oh my god. I'm not voting in this poll. The ghost cat has a name. It's Lavender. What the heck is this? What is happening? It already has a name. You guys are being evil. Who said you guys could be evil today? You haven't played very much, but so far you're getting the vibe of the beginning of Animal Crossing New Leaf when you plant the tree in the plaza. Wait, that's cute. That sounds promising. More updates, more updates. When you're able. Ignore me. The poll is expensive. Oh, if you wanted to vote extra. Lavender Larry. Okay, even if you vote on this, the winning one doesn't actually win. So I hope you know this. I hope you know that whatever wins doesn't actually win, and there's no refunds. There's no refunds. None. You miss New Leaf? Their name isn't Lavender? No, it is Lavender. The cat has a name. Luxury tax. That's crazy. Could you imagine if we just like thrive off of your channel points? Like, thank you for your contribution. What are you contributing to? I don't know. You're not voting in the poll. Good. We're gonna steal all your money. If you voted in the poll, then you have already agreed to something that I can't disclose. I'm under NDA. Sorry, bye. Sorry, bye. Goodbye. What's the cat's name? You spelled cat wrong. I would pay any number of channel points to have Twitch give you actual money for the channel points. That would be crazy. I think that you should be able to convert your channel points into like bits. I'm just saying. Gotta support the homies. Aw, thanks, Viri. How to secretly steal all of chat's channel points? Random? No, that's true. If I actually needed your channel points for something, all I have to do is give a hot food take, and then it'll all happen. The chat is cat. Well, you are the ghost kitty. I think that's kind of fun though. Or are you El Gato? Maybe you are El Gato. Maybe. Oh, I missed really bad there. Maybe we're all just El Gato. I don't know if this is the right color. Ugh. I don't really know what color to make the... Wait, I missed spots. I don't know if I want to make it a darker red. Ooh. Yeah, that looks good. Yarth. Yeah, what planet we're on? Earth. Yeah. Wow. Do you have to name the planet? I tried. I ran out of points I'm willing to give right now. Gotta have enough for emote and only. That's valid. Just in case there's always an emergency emote only. You gotta be ready, you know? That's funny. That is funny. Thank you, Naru. Thank you so much for hanging out today. I appreciate it. Get some good sleeps. Good night, good night. Take care and sleep well. Wait. Never mind. I don't know. What's a good name for a whole hecking planet? That's a pretty tall order. And that feels like a big responsibility. Sometimes I forget y'all don't have 300k points. Sometimes I forget you guys don't have infinite points. Skyro. Skyro, I see you. I literally see. Good night, Naru. Good night. Planet Laramis? No! Ban this guy. Don't actually ban this guy. Ban this guy /J. For a joke. Show off. That is a lot of points. Although I'm not gonna lie, once I start gaining like a lot of channel points and like someone that I like's channel, like those I don't give those up. Like those are mine. Like I feel like in the early days when I have like a couple thousand, I'm like I could gamble these, and then I start like actually gaining them, and I'm like, yeah, nope, they're mine. I don't know who you is, but you can't have them. I appreciate your naming sense. Stop. I need to X this out. Welcome. No, that's not the name. Your go-to name for everything is bagel. Really? I want a bagel. I think I have a bagel in the freezer. I didn't realize it was Wait, you didn't realize it was expensive. No, I'm sorry. You're not naming it after Larry. See, Dream is right here. Dream is correct. You guys are not. I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry, but oh my god, you know what I'm craving now? I feel like the sudden somebody mentions a bagel, I want a bagel so bad. Like, nothing slaps more than a bagel and an iced coffee. Like, you can't tell me I'm wrong, because that's like, I feel like that's like one of the best combos. You can't say I'm wrong. You guys have to agree, right? That's a god tier combo. Right? You would have been so confused now. In your head, you're in slow motion biting into a bagel. I'm gonna get hungry. But you guys agree, right? That's like one of the best things in the world is a bagel and a nice coffee. Right? You don't drink coffee? What? Okay, well, I don't know. You also like cold pizza, so I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. You don't like bagels? Oh my god. I'm so sad now. You don't drink coffee? Okay, Linky says it is. Wait, do you guys all think that that's like a god tier combo? Like a good fresh bagel and an iced coffee? I'm so sad. I'm so upset, chat. Iced coffee or cold brew iced coffee? I don't really get cold brew, but I also don't think I'm woke. Like maybe I just need to start. Well, actually, correction. I never order like okay. Let me correct myself right now. At bagel places that usually just sell like banger iced coffee. That's what I'm talking about with a bagel and iced coffee. But if I was gonna go into a cafe and order a drink, it would be a latte. It would be a latte. So I don't ever get cold brew because the bagel and iced coffee in my head is at like a mom and pop kind of cafe where like they only sell like hot or iced coffee and like the best bagel I've ever had in my life. But maybe that's just me. Is that a me thing? You drink your, no, JC! Sausage, egg, and cheese bagels, your favorite breakfast food? Oh, egg sandwich on a bagel. Cat, kitty cat, meowdy, meowford, meower, kitty, cute cat, butt, furry, bruh, dude, is Royal Highness atop his high throne. Fury, these are so good. You've never had a bagel and an iced coffee? It seems like a great combo. You rarely have either. Oh my god. Hi, Gargaband. How are you? Welcome in. Wow, I didn't realize how many of you guys don't like coffee. You never had a fresh bagel? Oh, god. Oh my god, Linky, that sounds great. Wait, how many of you guys... Okay, no, this is actually like a really important piece of information. I'm not allowing additional votes, so I'm just gonna give you a quick poll. Actually, really quick, because I want to know immediately. Have you ever had a fresh bagel? Because the people that are saying no makes me realize that I feel like I'm spoiled because there's a lot. Like, I mean, first of all, I live really close to New York, so if I ever go to New York, it's like fresh bagel every morning. But also, like, I feel like fresh bagel places even in Massachusetts are pretty common. So I need to know. I'm actually voting in this. This is really important. One time a cafe didn't have cold brew and you were like, you want iced coffee with a shot of espresso? What do you mean? And yes, you did not regret the cookie your body did. No, Linky. Oh, sleepless. What's gonna be for snack? I prefer tea too, actually, Gargaband, like just regularly, but I love coffee and bagel. You survived to moderate us, true. Oh, that's valid, Dream. No, I understand the not coffee part, but I don't understand the never had a fresh bagel is so crazy to me. But like I said, I think that's because they're so common, like around here. I know, I'm hungry too. I'm hungry too. Falco, don't you agree that like a bagel, like a fresh bagel and like a coffee slaps? Like I feel like for me, that's like a combo that like can't be beat for me. But now I'm realizing that not a lot of people either like coffee or have had a fresh bagel. No worries, take your time. Also, hi Falco. I didn't know how truthful I am with this one because there's a difference between fresh bagel and New York fresh bagel. I feel like just like from a bakery in general, I feel is like the same thing. I mean, maybe not the same thing, but like, you know, it's not that serious. I'm just curious. Like, would you consider like Panera a fresh bagel? Dunkin' Donuts is not a fresh bagel. Dunkin' Donuts is not a fresh bagel. Panera's bagels are like so-so though. You say that like you're a parent driving a car full of kids to McDonald's. That's funny. Unless we count Panera bread bagels, you're pretty sure your family has not is not a go-to bakery and get bagels family. That's valid. That's valid. Panera's not a fresh bagel. Yeah, but I feel like Dunkin' Donuts is like the lowest tier though in my brain. Like for like, okay, a lot of you said yes. Like I don't consider Starbucks either. No, not at all. Starbucks does not have fresh bagels, you know? Dunkin' Donuts bagels are probably just frozen. I don't know. Bruegger's bagels? I don't remember. Is that what's in the airport in Sandusky is Bruegger's bagels? Or is that a different one? Because whenever I fly home from Riptide, we always get bagels there in the morning. Ahmed and I had breakfast there this year. What's the Riptide goers? What's the bagel place in the Sandusky airport? Costco has good everything bagels, really? America, no Dunkin'. Eisen Bros bagels are the best. I don't think I've ever heard of that. You gotta eat 2 sleeves in like 3 days or else they go bad. Yeah, well, if they're fresh, then they don't have any preservatives in them, so that makes sense, I guess. Dunkin' Donuts bagels are technically bagels, which is the nicest thing you can say about them. Yeah, they're just like not great. Also, I think with this, I'm gonna drop this in because it's gonna be really annoying to select. I don't like to do that with everything because it's not the most even drop of color. Oh, I did something kind of silly here. Okay, I need to delete this. Also, I don't like this remix. Sorry. I don't like it. Okay. Hi, Cringe. How are you? Welcome in. Sorry, I'm getting really distracted. You almost won a year of free... Wait, is it that good? The Einstein bagels? You did work at a Panera. There was a baker who came in, but you don't think they didn't make the bagels, but they baked the bread, yeah? I don't know. Maybe they don't. Boston Ben Affleck loves Dunkin'. Ugh, Dunkin' Donuts is nasty. I don't remember the Super Bowl ad, but the last time I had a Dunkin' Donuts coffee, my heart started racing so fast that it gave me like a borderline panic attack at the airport. And I was so mad about it. Like, it was like just not good. Like, I'm like, I don't want my coffee to, like, I don't drink coffee every day, by the way. I have like maybe 2 to 4 cups of coffee a week for being on the higher end because I can't do a lot of coffee in general. But like if I'm gonna have coffee, like I want it to be like a good coffee, you know? But then like if you're like in a place like there's some terrible airport terminals where like the only option is Dunks, and I'm like, even if I want to get a tea, it's bad. Like everything is, well, of course a tea is bad. That's probably even worse than the coffee. You have no idea the planet's name. I know we're not being helpful. I'm sorry. Einstein Bros has this lox and cream cheese bagel with capers and it's good. Ooh. That's a sign that it's making you run. No. You worked there for like 4 years. You just think they did the pastries. Interesting. So like not even the bread? Einstein's is pretty all right. My college campus had one in the student center. It had a pepper chicken sandwich that was amazing. Ooh. Yeah. My favorite, I've definitely told this story on stream before, but the best bagel I ever had was from, honestly, if I looked at a map and I remembered where I stayed, which I could find the address, probably not that difficultly, not that, it wouldn't be hard for me to find it. The address, it was just some random cafe in New York. Of course it was in New York, a random cafe in New York. And they had, obviously everything bagel is my go-to, but they had dill and cucumber cream cheese, and it was the best cream cheese I have ever had in my entire life. It was like Like it was like made with, what's the thing where you where you slice like vegetables really thin? It was like the thinnest slices of cucumber mixed in with like a bunch of dill, and it was like, so I love dill. It was so good, and I keep saying one day I'm gonna remake that cream cheese because it was so amazing, and I have not, but it was so good. Asiago bagels are good too. I like the crispy cheese. They came in before open. Usually you work close. Oh, okay. No, that's fine, Dream. That's fine. I was just curious. The mandolin. Yes. It was really, really good cream cheese. I want to try Cat's Deli sometimes, but you don't want to pay. Wait, $35 for a sandwich. That's insane. That's crazy. I remember, I think it was the last time I was in LaGuardia Airport. I hate that airport with like all of my soul. I paid $20. Sorry, $19.99 probably. It was a really good sandwich. It was a brie and fig sandwich, which, like I said, it was delicious, but it was like this big. $20, and it was like thin, and I was like, I could have eaten 2 of these for a meal and been full. Like it was like a snack, and I hate expensive sandwiches. Hi James, how are you? Oh my gosh, yes, I'm so excited. Tomorrow's Friday. I'm so excited. How are you doing? I've never heard of this place. This place you guys are talking about. I'm always down for pastries though. Always down for bagels. I love all these things so much. So much. You love pastrami? I guess like when it comes to sandwiches though, like things like pastrami, doesn't that get expensive? Cat's Deli is a famous deli in New York. Oh. Actually, maybe I've heard of it, but I guess I've no, actually I feel like sometimes delis will have deceivingly good vegetarian sandwiches. Not always, but sometimes. That's probably one of them. DM you some bagels? I could. I wish I could. Fee and Brig is so good. I love Fee. Oh my, what did I say? Brie and Fig. I just mixed my letters up. I try so hard not to do that. Fig and Brie is so good. Oh my god, I love Brie. Pizza by Alfredo. What is that? I stay away from anything that has the word Alfredo. It's like the Joe's Pizza. Oh, okay. It's the one everyone recommends. I see. Yeah, no, it's all good, James. It's all good. I'm glad that you're doing well, hopefully. The place you got fresh bagels from is closed. No, sorry. It's better. Wait, what is Alfredo's Pizza? Is that also in New York? I'm not like a tip. Besides getting bagels, I don't think I get anything else that typical New Yorker people will like go eat. I have like really specific destinations when I go to New York and I stick to them. And they might not be the same as everybody else's destinations. But I also am a vegetarian, so I don't know if I have much purpose in a deli unless they have really good vegetarian food. I like told myself I was doing this on the wrong layer, and I continued to do it on the wrong layer. I'm gonna go insane shading this, I think. Oh, they're in Pennsylvania? What? I have no idea what you're talking about. Why would I know that? I have no idea what you're talking about. Alfredo is a kind of sauce that has a lot of dairy, therefore I can't eat it. I've only ever had like tastes of Alfredo pasta. Scranton, Israel? Do you know if you can make Happy Home Paradise villagers into a villager? No, you can't take them. You can take, I think, you might be able to invite villagers on your island to do their vacation home, but you can't, actually, I don't know, you might need it. Isn't there a phone? Oh yeah, you can give them chocolate to invite them to make their house in Happy Home Paradise, but you can't take Happy Home Paradise villagers and put them in your regular game. The one, no, I would rather the One Piece be real. I need to catch up in One Piece. I haven't caught up in a very long time. Yeah, I don't like heavy food, and it's A, a very heavy food, and then B, it's like all stuff that would hurt my stomach. I've never had like a bowl of Alfredo pasta in my life, actually. No, I think that's true. James is so true, Larry. JC, you came up with a name. Thanks for oh wait, that's good. What did you name it, Dream? Zucker is a Happy Home Paradise person you can make a home for right now. I love Zucker. That sounds so cute. Dude, why are these songs like not good? I'm not vibing with these songs. They're distracting me. I'm sorry if you liked that song. Okay, perfect. There's Stardew Valley soundtrack. Cream and cheese. Yeah, those are big no's. Those are big no's from me. It's not my choice. Not my choice, but a lot of people like it. Oh, that's really pretty, Dream. I'm patiently waiting for the... No, me too. When is the One Piece coming out, actually? Because I also would like to watch the One Piece. I don't want... I can't watch long anime unless I'm watching it as it's airing, like season by season. I can't do it. I can't watch something that's more than like 24 episodes by myself unless I'm watching it as it's airing. But I will say that I did read. I was caught up in One Piece, and I think I'm no longer. But I was, as of last year, I was caught up in One Piece. Oh my god! Hi! Welcome in! Welcome in! Oh my gosh, I'm not sure how to say your name. Pinky Dalink, thank you so much for the raid. Welcome in, welcome in. Everybody, hi everybody! Welcome in. Everybody, I'm hoping, please correct me if I'm saying your name wrong. I really apologize if I am. Thank you so much for the follow. Let me follow you back. Everybody coming in from Pinky's stream. Hello, it's nice to meet you. I am Luna. I'm a variety streamer on Twitch. I stream mostly art, cozy games. I play a lot of Splatoon, do a lot of Pokemon, etc., etc. Yeah, of course. Thank you so much for bringing your community here. What were you up to today? If you feel like telling me, I would love to hear. If you have to read and run, that is also totally fine. But yeah, welcome in. Thank you guys so much for the follows. And oh, thank you so much. So right now everything looks a little crazy right now, honestly, because I'm in the middle of doing like some really long color blocking. But well, actually, you can see the art a little better if I remove the insanity. I'm currently working on rebranding my shop that is not currently open yet, but I will be opening it hopefully by the end of this year. Fingers crossed if the merchandise I order comes in on time. So this is gonna be like the art that I will eventually use as like the banner image on my shop. But it's really detailed, so it's taking me a long time to get the colors down, but I really appreciate the compliment. Thank you, and thank you so much for bringing in your community. That means a lot to me. Once again, if anyone has to raid and run, please don't feel pressure. Stick around. You do have to raid and run. Yeah, no worries at all. Take care. Please do your after stream care. Thank you so much for trusting me with your community. Have a good rest of your day. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Chippy. Thank you. I appreciate it. And thank you guys for the follows. Yeah, my art is also like circulating at the top of the screen over here. I do a lot of Splatoon themed art typically, but this is also my like OC, my character Luna. Thank you so much for the follows. Thank you. And she's based on a character from Splatoon, but I've kind of morphed her a little bit. If I'm being honest. Thank you so much, Shelrook. Thank you so much. Yes, please feel free to raid and run. I understand. There's always other things to do after you watch a stream, but I really appreciate the follows. Thank you so much. Thank you. But yeah, I've been very zoomed in, trying to drop all the colors in here. My layers are also like a mess. I don't like to work on one layer, but I also don't like to work on like 100 million separate layers. So I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going insane, but we're hanging out and we're having a good time. I was just going on a really long rant about bagels. I don't know if that rant ended. I lost all train of thought for whatever we were just talking about, but we were having a discussion about food and bagels and fresh bagels and how I really want one right now in this present moment. Even though it's almost 9 p.m., which I don't think is breakfast time. Welcome in. Thank you for coming in with the raid. This emote is also so fun. Welcome in. I hope that you're doing well, Flippy Jack. Welcome in. Welcome in. I hope that you had a great time at the stream. If donuts and donut holes, why not bagels? And that's actually really interesting. Oh my god, wait, speaking of food that is ball shaped, this is so random, but yesterday, do you know what I saw a recipe for? I have to describe it. The fishing minigame isn't awful. Let's go. That's awesome. Thank you so much for the follows, guys. I really appreciate it. You could use a bagel. It's almost 3 a.m. Well, that means it's almost breakfast time, right? Well, I don't know if you're an Animal Crossing fan, but if it's 3 a.m., then I think it's a time for a party. I think it's time for a 3 a.m. party. Same brain cell. What was I saying? Oh, I saw a recipe for these. You have to like pickles. I'm sorry, I really like pickles. You basically mix like, it was cream cheese and like diced pickles and probably garlic and cheese and other things. And you roll it into a ball and then you dip it in like, like a oh my god, what is it called? Like a tempura batter, what is it called? Batter. I can't think. You dip it into a batter and then you fry them, and then they're little bites of cream cheese and pickles. I just described it horribly, but I saw it yesterday and was, do you ever like see a food and you're like, if I don't eat that immediately, I'm gonna cry? Well, I didn't eat it immediately and I feel like I'm gonna cry, but sorry, I had to just tell you guys about what I saw. I can't think. Roll cream cheese into a bowl. Well, it had other stuff, like other things to hold it together, you know? Party! I love that duck emote so much. It's loud raining. Ooh, that sounds nice though. But yeah, if you like mix cream cheese with other things, you can roll it into a ball. I make I've talked about this before, but like often on holidays, I make cream cheese truffles or cream cheese Oreo cookie truffles. Sorry, my brain is gone today. Cream cheese Oreo cookie truffles, and that's the same thing where you like roll, like you put the Oreos in a food processor and then you process them with the cream cheese and then they're like solid. What is a truffle? Like a chocolate truffle would be like a circular shaped piece of chocolate, usually with some sort of a filling. In this case, the Oreo truffle, I dip in chocolate and then freeze it. So then it's like a chocolate outside and then the inside is the Oreo cream cheese combo. Not a truffle like a mushroom. Honestly though, sleepless, loud raining sounds nice. I love going to sleep when it rains. Not when it's super windy though. In middle school at lunch, I would get a bagel with a slice of cream cheese in it. Wait, huh? My brothers tried to tell me there's no such thing as slices of cream cheese, and this is not true. You ate them every day, like 5 days a week. Was it just like a solid block? Like a little mini, like a thin solid block? Because if so, I kind of get what you mean. I do get what you mean. I don't know why, but I do. Oh my god, I'm getting so hungry. Literally, yes, yeah, I get what you mean. That is funny though, a slice of cream cheese. Man. Oh my god, I feel like I often sit down to stream and I'm like not hungry, and then we talk about food and I'm so hungry and I'm like, I don't even know, like, like where did this hunger come from? Came from chat talking about too much food. Which is fine, by the way. I like food. When you catch a big fish, the fish hits you in the face. It's so cute. Oh my god, but that would happen in real life probably, honestly. They presumably had cream cheese in what was probably shaped like stick of butter, but like way big. Oh yeah, maybe it was like, can you freeze cream cheese? Like maybe it was frozen and then that was how they sliced it. The cream cheese center was the best part. This is so interesting. Welcome back, welcome back. Oh my god, I can't even tell you how much I want a bagel with cream cheese now. Bagels are yummy food, are common. Bagels and yummy food are common topics. It always makes me so hungry. Same. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Because I feel the same. I feel the same. It's like really bad for me too because I don't like snacking at night. I know that's like a weird take, but I don't usually, I feel like before bed is when I'm the most confused about food. Like my body, it's like, I want to eat, but I don't want to eat. So then that's like that's when I'll like stand in front of the cabinet and I just like really don't know what I want. And I hate doing that. So I usually just go to bed. But then I'm like in bed and I'm really hungry and it's very bad. And I always tell myself I need to like create like a, or like figure out like what snacks are like okay and don't make me feel gross like eating at night so that when I'm hungry I can just like quickly make them or quickly grab them. But I never do that because I'm like, I don't want to think about what to eat at night. I don't know if that's weird. I don't know if that's a weird thing. It's school cafeteria food, so who knows? That's true. I guess you never know. You never really know with that. You get Walmart brand bagels. Are they good? I don't know what kind of bagels I have in the freezer right now. I do have some, but I don't really know. They're just from the supermarket. They're nothing very exciting. Pickles have 0 K. Yeah, but then like pickles aren't like a very filling snack. You know, it's just cucumber. I love pickles though. Did you hear my pickle conversation? I wanted to make those pickleball things, but not to be confused with the game, with the sport, but you had to deep fry them and I don't want to deep fry things. That is not what I'm trying to do. That sounds dangerous. I don't want to do it. These are so cute. Yeah, but like not the game. Like, So you like, I saw a recipe online where you like dice pickles and then you mix it with like seasonings and like shredded cheese and cream cheese, and you can roll it into balls and you dip it in batter and deep fry it. And it looked really good. Oh, Jesus. They're kind of stale. Oh no, that's the worst though when you buy like bread and it's just sort of like meh. I'm sorry, that stinks. You're allergic to pickles? Are you allergic to cucumbers? Or is it something with the vinegar? That does sound good, right? They looked so crispy, and it was one of those things I saw and I was like, oh, I wish I could pull this out of my phone. Please. You know? That's the kind of technology I want. I don't want any of this, all the technology that's popping up nowadays. I want the ability to just pull food out of my phone. Then I will think that we are advancing as a human society. Here we no, Sleepless. Where are we gonna lose you? No. That's really scary. I don't like when the power goes out. It scares me. It's cold. No. Do you have a lot of blankets? You should make some tea now, or like boil some hot water now, and like I don't know if you can store it somehow. Oh, I see, I see. I'm sorry to hear that. You have many blankets? Okay, well that's good, that's good. Yeah, I think maybe boiling some water in advance could be a good move. No, I hope that the power just doesn't go out though. Yeah, power outages really stink. It scares me. It scares me when there's like power outages like for your cell phone service too, and like my phone goes into like SOS mode. That always makes me really nervous for some reason. I have no idea if it's raining where I am. It was drizzling today. I was out walking my dog and it started to sprinkle a little bit right after I had realized my hair was dry. And then I was like, okay, I'm gonna go for a walk, and then it started to sprinkle and I was like, oh, great. Lovely. Love this for me. Not. Okay, I think I want to put more red over here. My mom says if I get tired of boiling water all the time, I can make a big batch now and just freeze the rest of it for later. Wait, what do you mean freeze the rest of it for later? Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome in. You have 3 blankets, 4 if you count the bed sheet. 4 is nice. Would love to stay around, but the Z-Quill's finally hitting me and housemates are getting rowdy with their D&D. No worries at all. Hope you all have a lovely night. Sleepless, hope everything greens up for you. That's so sweet of you to say. Thank you so much for the follow, and please enjoy the rest of your evening. Take care. Get some good rest. Hi, Nebula. How are you? Welcome, and thank you for the hydrate. I should do that. How is Olive coping with no more beans? I think she forgot about them. They're not sad. I love fruit tarts. Fruit tarts are my favorite dessert. I love, love, love like desserts with fruit. Desserts with fruit in general are always my favorite. Frozen thawed tea. I know that confused me. Help. I'm confused. I'm very confused. I don't understand. I think that I don't like the red on the banner. I think I want to change that. I think I've changed the banner color about 8 times since I've sat down, but that's okay, right? And I mentioned this to Sleepless. If it wasn't for a few people on Discord, you just, I mean, do what's best for you. It's not good to like, you know, over stress and overthink about it too much when it's supposed to be something that's, you know, that's fun or that helps you communicate with others. I'm sorry that it's been stressing you out this badly though. You have D&D on Fridays from 4 p.m. to 7:30. Oh. Banana split. You mean you can eat that right now? Banana split sounds good. God, I'm like hungry. I was not hungry when I sat down for stream. It's always when we start talking about food. That's always when I start getting hungry. Maybe I do that for now. It's okay, Shadow. Built the color so much. Oh my god. I don't remember the last time I sat down and I did this much color blocking. I mean, I knew that I was in for a treat when this line art took me 800 years. You haven't had a banana split in so long. Now you want one? Get one. You're gonna buy it for tomorrow? Yes! Using Twitch website on mobile has issues with the chat. Yeah, Twitch is kind of interesting lately all across the board. But definitely the mobile app is interesting. I personally have not had as many issues with the mobile app as I have previously. It's gotten a little bit better. Is it actually better? I don't know, but yeah, Twitch is going through it right now. Twitch is going through it. Yeah. I do think though the app has gotten a little bit better than it had been, which is yeah. You just made candy cane. Wait, candy cane cookies like Christmas time? I love candy canes. I have peppermint tea right now. I love peppermint. That sounds so good. I love candy cane in dessert. I'm not using the app. Oh, you're using Chrome and the Twitch website. Oh, on your phone? Oh God. I don't know which one sounds worse. I don't know if anyone sounds better or worse. But yeah, Twitch is going through it. For real, for real. Oh my God, I really don't know what color I want to make this banner. I think it could be fun to do like multicolored, like, I mean, she could have stolen one of these signs for sure. Like it's not the right color, but she didn't care. I feel like that's possible. Maybe I'll keep it kind of miscolored. Do I want to do two? I don't know. Too lazy to get back on your computer? That's valid. That's so valid. Yeah, I feel like Twitch is kind of going through it right now. But it's fine. We're all still here. You know. Yeah, there was like a phase though where the app was really like for me unusable, and I tend to have I watch Twitch every single day. Like I'm watching somebody on Twitch daily, and so like having the app be kind of messed up stunk, because I like, you know, if I'm like cooking a meal or something, I would like put a stream up on my phone and I would be like listening while I'm cooking. But then if I have to like respond to something on my phone, and then do you remember when like they had that thing with the mini player where when you swiped the mini player and then you brought it back to the full screen, the audio would go away and then you'd have to reload the stream? Every time. Use Opera GX Twitch on your budget laptop that can barely run Undertale. Oh no! I mean, if it's running the things that you need it to run, though, at least that's good. I don't know. I'm not stressing anymore. There's no indication of any kind of no. It wouldn't be anything like that. The first thing I would think is that it's just an error. It's just a weird bug, because I feel like that happens often. It's stinky, but it'll be okay. I think it will be okay. Hi Violet, how are you? Welcome to stream. I think I like that color there. This whole like day has just been me being like, I think I like that color there. I know in my delusional mind I said I wanted to finish this weekend, but realistically I'm probably going to be working on this on stream this week. I don't think I could finish this weekend. I have to do the logo like off stream because I need to use Photoshop, I think, for it, which is unfortunate. And it's, to be honest, I think that I can't work on anything remotely graphic design related on stream, because I think you guys will witness a side of me being insane that you've never heard before or seen before, because I absolutely hate using Photoshop, and any sort of graphic design drives me up a wall. So I think it's best I do that off stream. But that's the next step for my shop, is actually making the logo. I hate doing that. Well, what the heck? Omamori Totsu kudasai. I'll give you one. Hi, Toshi. How are you? Welcome in. I'm happy to be here with you, Garga Band. It'd be so much easier if I could still chat. Yeah, that would be so nice, Shadow. Why? I wonder why they took that away. Doing good, been busy, working, moving, escape witchcraftery and other things. That all sounds exciting though. Moving sounds exciting. Extra chaos, Luna. I just hate doing any graphic design. It's really, like, I know it's a joke, but it's like really not my passion. And it just like frustrates me so much sometimes. So yeah, I'm not doing that on stream. Staying out of trouble, I guess so. I guess I am. Can't say the same for my sketchy shop vendor here, but I am. One Oma Morty Kuda please is great. Are you still studying Japanese, Toshi? You guess so? No, I guess so. Hehe. Yeah, I've been fine. I think things have been fine. I went through the fall is always a very stressful season for me with work. Luckily, I think that it's gonna be I don't want to jinx it, but the stuff that I was stressed about ended, so that's good. It's not gonna come back. At least right now, until next fall, so that's good. I've been okay. Water is still here and there. While you read about ADHD, I see. You like relay my message. Oh, Sleepless does, yeah. Why do we have a water command? You finished Sucker's vacation home. Wait, CC, if you feel comfortable, share pictures in the server. I want to see. Oh, thank you, Pilot. You got this too. First cup of tea here. Let's go. Do you have like a thermos or something that you can store hot water in just in case you need it? I think that was like I think it's funny that we were talking about freezing the hot water, but I was thinking more of like being able to have hot water on hand. And you have a Hatsune Miku Omamori in your wallet. That's gonna protect you through everything. I don't think that there's anything else you need, actually. I think that that's perfect. My Xbox has less Twitch delay than your laptop. That's wild, actually. No worries, CC, no rush at all. It's one of Min's many random commands. So many of them. You started with your ceramic mug. Next I'll go for the thermos. Okay, that's good. I really hope you don't lose power though. Water. Yeah, why is that there? Actually, you don't have to answer that. It's fine. I do think though, speaking of water, I'm gonna take a BRB after this so I can rest my shoulder and my wrists. I'll do a good solid 5-minute or so BRB to ensure that I take a solid break, because I have been drawing a lot. Oh my god, what's giving me hope is the fact that this whole piece is eventually going to look as beautiful and rendered as this one rendered spot on the illustration. Ah! Oh, that's cute, Pilot, that's so cute. You know the answer? What? You might have an... Oh my god, Sleepless. I was so absorbed in the art that I kept putting off water. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna take a BRB. If you guys have been sitting for a while, please get up. Don't sit for a while. Stretch, grab some water, grab a snack, do whatever you gotta do. Check in with yourself. I just acted like I was... There's my Discord. I just acted like I was ending stream. I'm not ending stream. I'm not leaving. I was about to say thanks, guys, for watching. No, don't leave. Don't leave. Don't leave. There's your... No, I'm not leaving. I'm BRB. No. Take your points and gamble, and I'm gonna BRB. Wait, I want to take another poll, though. I want to take another poll. I'm gonna... This is gonna... No, don't leave. Don't leave. Okay. What were all the foods we were talking about earlier? I know we were talking about bagels. I'm gonna say breakfast go-to. Okay, tell me what you like for breakfast out of these options. Well, I know that there's more options, but these are the ones I'm giving you. Okay. Oh, egg and rice is a good one. Okay. Here's your options. I know that there are more breakfast foods, but if you would like something to do with your channel points, you can waste them. I'll do 50 extra GGs, and you can vote in the poll. I will be back in about 5 minutes. I gave you points, so please feel free to gamble them, and I'm gonna BRB! I'm gonna BRB! Terrible pull. Oh, I like, look. I knew that it was gonna be a joke, the bit, but the bit won, and that stinks. Anyway, hi, I'm back. I was eating a piece of toast. I was sitting here eating toast. I was really hungry. I was sitting here like, man, I don't like this food talk, send help. So I made some toast. Can you still get, oh my god. Whatever. All of you. All of you. You'll get more, whatever. Yeah, toast. Enjoy your extra points. Wait, what's the secret command? Oh my god. You're not getting more. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what you say. You're not getting any more. That was a lot. It was a lot of points. I'm back to my going a little insane over this, but it's like a good insane. I'm excited about this piece, but I'm also going insane. Just artist things. Cold pizza won and we got extra points. Coincidence? No. Well, I don't know. I don't want to talk about it. I mean, you guys are winning. Nightbot gave 10 dust star. Wait. Wait, Nightbot can give point. You can't. We can't do this. Wait. Wait, man, I don't think we can do this command. Wait, how? No, you know what? I'm not even gonna think about it. I'm gonna ignore it. I'm gonna just do my art and pretend I'm not looking at it. I'm gonna turn an eye. What are you doing? I don't know. Yes, we can, Min. It's okay, it's a secret. Oh, okay, that's fine, whatever. Don't listen to this streamer is insane, but yeah, I'm already used to it. And broke the system. Okay, I'm gonna keep drawing, because that's what I'm here for. I'm here to do art. You guys are here to gamble. I'm here to draw. I'm just here to provide entertainment and draw. That's it. I'll keep doing it. Is there a weird? No. Yeah. When you're offline, you're gonna make Nightbot give me all their points. Oh my god. Why? Never mind. I'm not even gonna answer. What are we even doing? You hear the song? I think I'm vetoing this playlist. Hold on. I think I need to veto this playlist. Why did Slayer Riot just start playing in my Stardew Valley lo-fi mix? I think that's a little bit of a stretch, don't you? Merry Christmas. It's too early. It's too early. I don't mind an early Christmas, but I don't know. I'm still in Halloween mode, which comes off as a shock to nobody, but I just thought I'd let you know. Where did I put this little floaty dude? Is it in here? Oh, it is. Oops. Ignore the streamer. I think that's probably my most accurate quote. Oh, did that just... Oh, I thought that was gonna mess up the cat. It didn't mess up the cat. Okay, that's good. You want to know a fun fact? The flat color phase is my least favorite phase of my art. I always don't like the flat color phase. It like trips me out. I like to look at my art that's not flat. Please don't make a quote. I'm sure this, wait, I'm sure this is 1.5 spaces. Luna says miserably. This is 1.5. I was playing Animal Crossing there. We should have a day where we just try to guess what I was doing when I said the quote. That might be kind of hard. No, it is not time to start. Yes, I know it's free. Okay, I don't know what that means. Maple Story apps gave. Oh no, wait, it failed 4 times until now. No, you're in Thanksgiving mood. I don't know what kind of a mood I'm in. I feel like I'm in existential crisis mood. I uninvited my family to Georgia for Thanksgiving. That's very nice. Like, I don't know what kind of mood I'm in. I don't know. Don't DM me out of points. Hey! Hey! Min, do you want to play Peak? Hey, Min. Hey, Min. Hey, Min. Hey. Hey. When do you want to play Peak? Right now? No. I have to do art. Just someday. You want to play? Asking. Wait, there's only 10 pity points there. That stinks. I can't wait. Oh, that's nice, Dream. Every day is the same. Every day is weird. Hey, Min and Luna, you want to... Wait, does Sleepless have Peak? Do you guys want to all play Peak? Wait, Sleepless, are you away this weekend? Is that where there's no watch party? Orange, no! Why are you asking? I don't know. You're away this weekend? No. You love Peak? But I was gonna say maybe we could play on Saturday night. But then Sleepless won't be there and I'll be sad. But it would be an open invitation to all to play Peak on Saturday night. Because we always have like one night where we all hang out on Discord. And I thought that sounded fun. No worries, enjoy your lurk. You need to play again? Peak time? Who has Peak? You can't weekends? If I play without you, who's gonna carry the backpack? Have Peak? Are you singing, Mongoose? You have Peak, you can hold the luggage. Monday? I can play Monday. Can you guys all play Monday? Crying Saturday is still the only night you can't. I've had plans like every single night for the last, I don't even know how long. Monday? I've been debating on buying Peak. Oh, we could get lost together and eat questionable things. This is true. Are we doing this on Monday? Give you those stars. I know that this is a real question, by the way. I really want to play. Monday sounds good. Have you ever played Not Monday Cafe on Monday? I probably have. I haven't. I feel like I've been so busy, like with just either life or like whenever I do sit down, like I've been having like plans to like voice chat or like watch something. I haven't actually like opened Not Monday Cafe or Duck Simulator in a little while now. Which feels weird. They're showing your mom's favorite Christmas movie. Oh, nice. You don't have Peak, but if you can play it and you'll have it. Well, maybe... Wait, how many people can play together? I will run away, though. Like, I will run off. As long as you guys won't get offended at me, like, running off into the oblivion and you never hear from me again, like, in-game, I will do that. I'm just letting you know. You're free Sunday night if we want to do the Cursed Halo showcase. I'll have to see, because I haven't had many nights to myself recently, so I'll have to see how I'm feeling. But this weekend, I have no plans, like Saturday, Sunday, besides streaming on Saturday, so maybe Sunday night will be good. Stars, I need to delete, I periodically delete Nightbot stars. I do, actually. I do go in and delete, because otherwise Nightbot would have probably the, like, #1 spot. We'll do 2 separate groups and see who can get the farthest. Wait, is that a thing? Christmas vacation. Wow. Peak is it's $4.95. It's a good $4.95. Here. No, that's literally how I play. I miss Bing Bong. I want to play. That's the other condition. I need Bing Bong. I'll fight someone over Bing Bong. I will fight somebody over Bing Bong. I will. I hope none of you guys are possessive over Bing Bong. Because I am. Okay, Cece, I'll keep that in mind. Peak is cheaper than McDonald's. That's crazy. My controller died in the middle of an Anarchy open match. No, that stinks. No, I'm sorry. You want Bing Bong? Skyro and I are gonna fight. We're gonna fight. 4 people can play together. That's why you said 2 separate groups. Oh, okay. I see. Why can't there be 2 Bing Bongs then? If we have 2 groups, that makes sense, right? 2. You want the bugle? You can have it. I do remember that, Sleepless. We may have lost her, but I stole her rations already. Stop! As long as I have Bing Bong. I can't, like, eat Bing Bong, but that's okay. It's fine. I do remember the dollar menu. I remember when McDonald's was, like, such a thing growing up. I want French fries. This whole stream, I can't stop thinking about all the food. I literally ate a piece of toast. If hosts download a mod, you can apparently have more players. Oh my god, I can't mod the game until I get good at the game. I feel like I'm just gonna get so confused. No, like Peak Bing Bong. It's a character in Peak that I really like to have on me at all times. He's very useful. You can ask him questions and he answers them. He's always right. That's what I think. In my own delusion. Hee Bong. Good night, Horsefinger. Monday night games might be fun though. I just need to have some nights to myself. I have a lot of plans on a lot of nights by accident this week, which is okay, but I don't want my batteries to die, you know? You miss Bing Bong's wife. Yeah, Bing Bong is a plushie. I love him. Dude, why? Oh, I understand. I was about to complain about why I layered my layers. Then I realized why I layered my layers. Just throwing banana peels at people to make them trip and fall. Men would do that to me. But I also abandon them when they need me, so I don't know who's worse here. Oh my god. Mario Kart, is that you? It seems like your Princess Tea is discontinued. Wait, I don't like that for you. Why? Why would they do that? What was in it? Sounds good. If we do teams, I need to be on JC's team so I can throw frisbees at him. Oh my god. Wow, this is going really well so far. I think that we're gonna make it. We're gonna win. I think it sounds really reasonable. I think we're gonna make a great team. Peak is the new Mario Kart and bringing true colors out of people. Honestly, I don't think you're wrong there. I don't think you're wrong. That's so funny. I think my eyes are too dark. I think my eyes are usually kind of dark, but I think they're like too dark. No, that looks too light. Never mind. I'll come back to it later. Home by midnight, white tea, blue cornflower, chrysanthemum, chamomile, lavender, safflower petal, pomegranate oil. That sounds delicious. That sounds really good. My schedule is always packed. On Friday, test therapy, trades, sailing the 7 seas, throwing tea into the Boston Harbor, and then D&D. That's wild. Oh my god. Ooh, jasmine pearl tea is very good. Oh my god, I can't believe, well, actually, no. I can believe I've spent the entire stream on doing this because this has been taking me forever. But it looks good, right? Crying inside. Thank you. I'm really happy, guys, that tomorrow's Friday. I woke up really early this morning. I accidentally made a really early Japanese lesson for today, and I actually was okay. Like I was like, you know what? I'm gonna survive. I'm gonna be able to think and use my brain. We had some pretty deep discussion, and I was like, wow, I didn't know I could have deep discussion at 7:30 in the morning in a second language. Travis, thank you so much for the resub. This piece is so cute. Thank you so much. How are you doing? Welcome. Hi, Clover. How are you? You're gonna ask how it went? It was fine. It was fine. I really like that the teacher that I have, and the reason why some of my lessons are at weird time, well, I always have early lessons, but they're even weirder is because of the time zones. Like the times changed. So it was still the same time for her, but it was an hour earlier for me, which kind of stinks. But it went okay. It went fine. I survived. And that's great, right? Thanks for asking. You're doing well. That's good. That's good. Thank you again for the 41 months. That's crazy. That's so crazy. Travis, have you been playing Splatoon lately? I really haven't been. And I feel like I don't know. I feel like a lot of people haven't been as much, but I would like to ask. Over 3 years. That's crazy. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I hope you continue to enjoy the emotes. I'm the only runner now. The newbie no-called and showed for 3 days straight. I'm so sorry, Clover. That's so hard to be down people at work. I hope you'll be able to find other people to fill in these positions though, because it feels like it's been like this for a while now that you guys have been like short-staffed. That is definitely not fun. I'm so sorry. Thank you for the 65 stream streak. Thank you. I haven't been as much either. I've mostly been playing Salmon Run and Splatfest. I had a lot of fun with Splatoween. I thought that was really fun. And then actually I had a lot of fun. I mean, I have fun whenever I do play Splatoon. I just don't really play Splatoon like on my own ever. Like literally ever. I don't really like play with people either, like off stream anymore. I really only play on stream, but I still have fun. It's been like this for a while though, ever since I stopped playing comp, so I'm not really surprised. It doesn't matter how old I am. You'll always dress up for Halloween. Dressing up is fun. One of 4 runners. No, you're gonna be you're the best though, Clover. It stinks and it's really hard, but I know that you'll persevere, and I really hope that your job will hire more people so that you don't have to be stuck in this position for so long by yourself. I almost always play with friends. Yeah, playing with people is just so much more fun. I like don't have the, like after a work day, I do not want to sit down and play Splatoon with random people. Like, I'm sorry, but that's not where I'm at. That's like not where I'm at in my life. I don't want to do it. Not that I even did that really anyway when I played a lot of Splatoon, but yeah. I started using the queue for peak streams. Oh my God. That would be kind of crazy. I don't know if I would want to play peak on stream though with like, because you have to voice chat, and I like, whereas I trust people in my chat, I don't trust random people that are first time chatters that want to get in my lobbies and talk on my family friendly, no swearing stream. So it's probably never gonna happen if I'm being honest, unless I'm with like immediate friends. When I inevitably get new Pokemon game, what starter should I choose? Chikorita. That's what I chose. You're super biased, but Tepig. Uh-oh, Chikorita. Ooh. I want the Chikorita badge. Nye! Hi, Nye! Hello, hello. How was your Animal Crossing? I'm sad that I wasn't there for the whole stream. Let me give you a big shout out. Everybody coming from Nye's stream, hello. I am Luna. It's nice to meet you. I hope that you guys had a lovely time at Nye's stream. I love Nye very much. I also was lurking in your stream, and now I have to close my stream. I'm closing it now. Now I have to close my stream, but if you don't know me, I'm a variety streamer on Twitch. I stream mostly cozy games like Animal Crossing, Stardew Valley. I play Pokemon, I do art, I play Splatoon. Welcome in, everybody. Hi, Nolas. Welcome in. How was your island? Saldi, hello. Welcome in. Sky, hello. Welcome in. Welcome in. How is everybody doing today? I hope that you guys had a lot of fun at Nye's stream. I love you. I am still here. I am still here doing some art, but I really want to know what you were doing with your island. I really want to know. Ruin, hello. Welcome in. It's nice to meet you. I hope that you guys had fun in Animal Crossing, and I hope that you guys are all really excited for all the updates that are going to come. I've already been kind of thinking about what I'm going to do with my island, but it's like, oh, I don't know. We're still very beginning since we restarted. You named her Rose Light. I voted for that one. That was one that I voted for. Hi, Sosar. How are you doing? Welcome, welcome. Yeah, if anybody has to raid and run for any reason, please don't feel any pressure to stick around. But if you'd like to hang out, I'm currently like dropping in color on this really, really detailed piece that I'm working on that's eventually going to be like key art for my merchandise shop whenever I reopen it again, when my merchandise comes in the mail. So we've just been sitting here and yapping and talking about food and various things. I like, you know what's like funny is like if whenever I get a raid, I like my brain is like totally gone and I absolutely forget whatever we were just talking about. Thank you so much. Thank you. Should I call you Rocks? Thank you very much. Merch. It's in the mail. It's hiding in the mail. But yeah, eventually this piece will be as rendered as this little guy up here that I did as a test so that I didn't go insane just dropping color on my art for 3 hours. But yeah, we're still in early phases working on art fan night. I do hope that you had a lot of fun on stream. You've been live, I think, for like 9 hours. So please go get some food. Please take a break. You know, do all those things. Thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate it. But yeah, we're here. We're yapping. We're hanging out. I don't know what we were talking. Oh, we were talking about Peak and we've been talking about food a lot today. I feel like all day we have been talking about some sort of food. We were talking about bagels for a long time. I don't even know. You're happy to unwind in the stream. I'm so glad. Thank you for being here. But yeah, I hope that you do take care of yourself though after your stream. Get some dinner if you haven't had any dinner. You feel like everyone on Twitch is just constantly hungry? No, like for real, everybody is just constantly hungry. We're all just talking about food. But it's like, it's such a common like subject, you know, for like conversation. So in a way I kind of get it, but I feel like literally when I took a BRB just now, I made a piece of toast because I was like, I had dinner, I was not hungry, but now we're talking about food, I need to eat something. Food chat is the best. Honestly though, that is correct. I do really like food talk. It's really fun hearing about like what people, I really like to cook and I really like to bake. So I love hearing about like what people are making always, even if I have to sit here and then think about how I can't eat said thing, you know? That's how I feel. I say no to cold pizza too. I say no as well. I am also not a cold pizza believer, even though I know that some of you are. I like food that's meant to be warm, eaten warm. I'm so sorry. I said no. Food is a good way to bring people together. IRL and online. That is so true, honestly. You're right. I guess that's also why it comes up in conversation so much, you know? It's so nice being able to like make food for people. I personally don't like get to cook for like a lot of people very often, but like for family holidays, I'm always the go-to person for like appetizers and for desserts. So that's like my favorite thing is to like make stuff for people and then share with others. Absolutely. Absolutely to cold pizza or absolutely to food. I'm gonna go buy some bagels this weekend for a breakfast option. Yay, you should. You had toast and didn't put it in a bowl. I didn't. Wow, were you that much on time with us? I know, I'm sorry. I was like the picture of me with the toast in my mouth. Cold pizza's good. No, I love cooking. Any of y'all fans of Tasting History with Max Miller? I've never watched it before. Ooh, but Skyro does. Skyro does. Hi, Autumn. No worries. How are you doing? Welcome in. Welcome in. I hope it's been a good kind of busy and not a bad kind of busy. It's all good. Life gets busy. Things get busy. I don't always have cold pizza, but when I do, I heat it before I eat it. That's correct. See, this is all the correct. That's the correct move. I am the same. I am exactly the same. Oh my gosh. I still feel like something is a little off about this. This is like one of my toxic traits is like once I start rendering something for so long, I'm not sure if I like the color of like the object as a whole. Like I'm kind of wondering, I'm like, do I need the stall to be blue or can I change it to a different color? But maybe that's a struggle I can have off stream. Honestly, you guys don't need to be there for that. Oh no, I'm sorry that you got sick. I hope that work has been okay though. What's your favorite recipe? The Roman pork and apples. Ooh, I love anything that has fruit in it. I don't eat pork, but I say yes to that just because apples. Thank you, Orange. It's my ghost cat that I have on my Stardew Valley farm. I miss playing Stardew Valley. I actually, for the first time in a while, I opened Stardew Valley today. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome in. I haven't been playing so much Stardew Valley because my brain has been like full of Pokemon, like mentally. And I've also been, what have I even been doing? I don't even know what I've been doing, honestly. I don't know. I haven't opened Stardew in a while, but I do miss my farm. I love Stardew Valley. Hi, JK Lumbo. Thank you for coming in with the raid. How are you doing? Welcome in. You literally have the same mod too. You do! Yeah, you have the cat! If anyone needs a good sob story right now, open in Splatoon 3 is Clamblitz on Eel. That's disgusting. That's like when you close Splatoon. Hi, Bauer! Thank you for coming in with nice raid. I'm having a good time. So how are you doing? I hope that you're doing well. Yeah, that kind of a rotation is just when we close Splatoon and we open something different. It does stink though when you really want to play Splatoon and like the rotations are just really bad. That does stink. I'm sorry. But that's a big yuck indeed. For sure, for sure. Hi, Foxy! How are you? Welcome in. I'm glad you enjoy the bite emote. I am very glad. Cheese Danish sounds really good. Oh my god, actually, I went to a really good bakery. Was it last weekend or I don't remember. Some weekend I went to a really good bakery and I was going, they had Danishes. They had a cheese Danish and then they had some sort of a fruit Danish and I was going to get it because I don't actually know if I've ever had a Danish before. I probably have, but I feel like when I'm on stream, I second guess if I have, if that makes any sense. But I was at a bakery that had them and I was like, oh, I should get that. It looks really good. But then the meal that I had, like I got a, this was my meal at the cafe. I got a lavender latte because I am obsessed with lavender lattes whenever they're on a menu. And then I got this really, 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 really good avocado toast that was on some of you guys are not gonna like this, but it was on homemade olive loaf. So it had like whole Kalamata olives in it. And then I got like avocado spread to go on it. And it was such a good combo. And I was so into eating this avocado toast that I like totally forgot that the Danishes even existed. They fully left my memory because I was so obsessed with this toast. And then I like thought about it after. I was like, oh, I didn't try the Danish. That stinks. Oops. Using the stream to revise your pastry chef rivals to Lover's novel. Oh, and finish such. Let's go. Good luck. Good luck. I hope that your writing goes well. And I'm sorry that you have a migraine. That does really stink. But yeah, the biting mode is so fun. What's the name of the bakery? You need to research them. I don't remember. I don't remember, if I'm being honest. My friend took me there. Crying at that. It was so good. It was so hecking. Oh my god. I love lavender drinks too. I think that a lavender latte is severely underrated and everywhere that I go should have one at all times because that's what I want. Oh, a cheesecake. Wait, what's a Roman cheesecake? That sounds like something I could eat in a small quantity. Cries and craving sweets. No! Sleepless. Sleepless, please. Yeah, I feel like ever since Halloween, I've been like craving sweets too, but I feel like that's just the nature of Halloween, you know? Well, you should make it. You should make it. I made soup this week and I made a really good salad this week. The soup that I made, I think I spoke about this already, but I'm going to tell you guys again. I made a ginger and carrot soup this weekend to have for lunch, and that was extremely good. And then I also made this like really, really good like chopped veggie salad that had a lot of herbs and it had chickpeas. And it was really good, and I ate those together and they were yummy. And I'm sorry that I'm losing brain cells at the end of the night, and I apologize. You're eating cookies! Wait, Nye, that sounds so good. You deserve it after your long day. What time are you streaming tomorrow, by the way? In the evening? I'm just preparing. I literally can't believe though, Nye, I didn't know when you were streaming today, and I literally entered your chat and I saw that you like cleared the commands or whatever. And I was 1 minute before I arrived and I was like, I love chickpeas too. Writing has been going well, being an indie author and having to fund self-pubbing your own books. Yeah, that sounds really hard. I wish you the best of luck though. I really wish you the best of luck. Yeah, share the cookies. Share the cookies. No, I was caught in the act. I was like, I wonder when Nice streaming, and then you were right there, and I was like, oh. I felt like I like entered somebody's home and I like didn't tell them I was coming over. It was that vibe. Tomorrow, 5 p.m. EST. You might be late because of work though. That's okay. I hope that work goes well. No rush, no rush. I won't be psychotic at 5 p.m. EST only because that's when I leave work. Or I work remote, but that's when I'm like ending work, so I won't be as crazy. Yeah, cookies sound really good. I have some frozen pumpkin cookies that I made in the freezer that I can have whenever I want. It's worse when Luna catches you and at her after. No, sometimes I do, like, because I mean, I don't like have Twitch open like a crazy person, but there are some times where I do open my stream thing where I have my chat open, like maybe I have to change something or I want to look at something and I see people gambling and I'm like, ooh, wait, why? Thank you for sharing the cookies. I do like baking, yeah. I do. Are you gonna gamble? You know how that's a good gamble. Sorry, I got a pop-up that someone was playing a certain game on Steam, and I almost read it out loud, but I didn't want to say it, but I'm just gonna tell you that I saw it. Sorry, that was so indiscreet. Every time a pop-up comes up on my computer, it scares me. Even if it doesn't make a sound, I'm like, what is that? Yeah, I do really like baking. The last thing I made was the pumpkin cookies. But I do really like baking. I have this like this toxic trait of like wanting to make everything from scratch though, which can be very time consuming for sure. But it's still really fun. Your self-taught pastry chef? Oh, that's really nice. What kinds of things do you like to bake? I wish I could do a baking stream. That would be so fun. That'd be so fun. Hi, Goldie. How are you? Welcome in. Welcome in. Happy almost Friday. Oh my God, I didn't realize the time. I need to finish putting these colors down. I have spent so long on this art, you guys. I've spent so long on this art. Oh my God, you're green. You're green. What? Why am I green? Why are you green? Why are you green? No, Sleepless, you're blue in my chat. Thank you, Travis, thank you. There's no work tomorrow, it's Friday, yay! Don't end stream, please. I will be here for a little bit longer. I want to at least get my colors in a row. It's taking so long. It's taking so long, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna not panic. That's what we're gonna do is just not panic. I actually think the colors are there, but I'm panicking about the color of the stall. These are things that I would normally do off stream. I would panic about things off stream. Wait, I wanna yeah, why green? Thank you for your daily pastry. Hi, Lunati, how are you? Sleepless is, well, so if you don't, I think you guys probably know this, but if you don't have a color set to your user, like if you don't select the color, you'll be a different color every time. And I think maybe at some times there's like people's colors are different to different people. I don't know. It's always rainy here. Oh, I don't know though. A shade of red. I think that Sleepless doesn't have a color set, so they're always different. Ooh, foggy is nice. You too? That's so... Oh, wait, but Goldie, why are you... why are you green? It felt like you were in Silent Hill. Oh, gosh. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of mixing things around. Bear with me. This is what I would do after stream, as I'm still sitting here, by the way, is mess around with colors like a crazy person. Whoa. So basically I need to figure out if I like the shades of blue that I'm using or if I want to switch to something else. But it's gonna look a little wonky because I'm like changing some things and not others. Do you guys, okay, opinions time. Do you guys like the blue for the stall? Or do you think that something like more of like a brown would be better? If I change it, I don't have to change too much, but I have to remove some of the blue if I do this. I love doing this, but it makes me so confused. Thank you for following me on Ko-fi. Thank you so much. Yeah, take your vitamins. Everyone around me started coughing. Oh God, I hate that. Ugh. You never took your vitamin this morning? No, can you still take it? Yeah, vitamins are good. I took mine this morning. You're selling your house and just had the first showing, and the girl was picked up your cat. I know wait, your cat was picked up? That's weird. Thank you so much for the follow, Foxgrove. Thank you. Welcome in. I would change the color now, but you're green like Goldie, so you wait another day. It's all good. Okay, guys, I'm gonna continue to struggle. Just letting you know that I'm gonna continue to struggle. You guys like the blue or do you like the brown? But I feel like if I did this, then I would have to make this like red or something. I do this so often. This is why I need to work with so many layers, because I'm really, really, really indecisive sometimes when it comes to colors. I think I like the blue. I think I like the blue, and I don't think I like the brown so much. Thank you for the lurk. How does a pale light blue look? Let's try it. Yeah, because I don't think I like this color. I don't know if this is gonna be too light. We can try though. I don't know if the blue is just like too much. I'm wondering if maybe just like a gray would be good. It's kind of fun dark too, but I worry about, like, honestly, the dark is kind of nice. The dark is kind of nice. Not gonna lie. I kind of wonder if I want to make it dark. Like, maybe not that kind of dark, but like, maybe that gives a better effect of it being like at night too. I kind of wanted it to be night-like. I know, okay, red would be nice too, but I worry about there being too many red elements around it. You like the blue tar? Gray works. Okay. You have 8 indoor cats. She picked up Mushu. Oh, I was not at the house either. Wait, that's really weird to pick up someone's cat without permission. What if the cat doesn't like to be picked up? You like the blue too? Thank you. Wait, your feet are cold? No. Wait, Ted, what are you, until rotation? What are you talking about? But Noki, I hope you're doing well today. Welcome in. Sorry, I'm getting a little locked in here. This tends to happen at this time of evening. I apologize in advance. I think though ooh, the dark is kind of fun. Because I think what I'm gonna do is have like all of the light come from around the lantern. So maybe the inside being kind of dark is an interesting idea. But if I do this, then I have to change some stuff because this doesn't look right. Like maybe, I don't want it to be red. Maybe like really dark. Do we like the really dark look? You really like that? Thanks, Travis. Oh, to go to bed in an hour. Oh, I see. That's a good time to go to bed though. I was asleep yesterday, I think like around 10:30, which I was maybe a little after, but I was very impressed with that. What is that quote? You got to scream at Falco to go to bed. Yeah, we can all scream to go to bed. All my cats are okay with being picked up, but it's odd because people don't. Yeah, I think it's just weird to pick up somebody's pet in general. I don't think that that's like, I don't know. You never know. Like, you never know if the animal is like, doesn't like being held or what. So in my opinion, that's very strange. But I don't know. This needs to be changed. Oh my god, Beef! Hi, Beef! Thank you so much for the raid! Everybody, wait, Beef, what were you doing today? If you say you're doing Animal Crossing, I'll be really sad because I missed so many Animal Crossing streams today. And I want to know, how are you doing? I'm trying to give you a shout out with my whole heart. There we go. Thank you so much for the raid, Beef! Everybody coming from Beef's stream, hello. I am Luna. It's so nice to meet you. How was your stream today? What were you up to? If anybody has to raid and run, please don't feel any pressure to stick around. But if you'd like to stay, I'm in the middle of like a little bit going crazy, locking in on the color palette on this piece. So there's a lot of stuff happening. You're playing Legend CA, but that's really fun too. How far along are you in the game and are you enjoying it? You can also ignore me if you have to hop off and do after stream things. I appreciate you bringing your community here. Welcome. New people to cause chaos with. We're happy chaos though. We are a little chaotic, but it's happy chaos, I promise. I've had the Pokemon brain worms lately. I think the new game is really fun, but I've been like playing it exclusively on stream and I only stream it once a week and I'm like, I want to play it more. You're making progress, but you have a bit to go. I believe in you. I'm only rank Y. I know that's really horrifying and I'm super powerful, but I'm just saying you're probably further ahead than me. I think probably everybody at this point is further ahead than me in Pokemon. there's an unofficial quote list pinned to the stream memories on the Discord that Sleepless very kindly made. I know I'm really scary. I know I have like a level 12 Pokemon right now, so I don't know, I'm pretty scary. I do hope that you had a lot of fun though. The game is super fun. You're updating. Oh my god, Sleepless. You are too nice. You are too nice to me. You are too nice to us. Thank you for doing that. You don't have to. You don't even. Oh my. You're so nice for even doing it. There's so many quotes, Sleepless. Don't go too crazy. Thank you though. Thank you. Thank you. Do we like? I like this darkness. Do we like this darkness? If we keep the darkness, then I have to change some stuff, which I was already mentally prepared to do, so it's probably fine. I'm just saying. I have to change some stuff. Rock. Rocks do crumble. I'm so scary in Pokemon. The game really is so hecking fun though. I can't wait to get further in it. But I feel like now that like I've unlocked the shops and the customization isn't like looming over my head as this very important thing that I must do or else I suffer sort of thing, I feel like I can probably progress a little bit further next stream. Because so far I haven't been progressing very far at all. Okay, so let me decide what colors I want to make. Sorry, my brain is a little gone. I know I don't have to apologize, but I feel like I have to. That sentence made no sense. Just ignore everything that I say from here on out toward the end of stream. It's probably for the best. I'm just collectively losing my brain cells with you guys. I don't know what color now to make this, because I don't want it to be too dark. Is that too dark? No. Did you remember a certain... Wait, what is... Did you remember a quote from a certain moment, or did you just pick a random... No. Oh, Sleepless is going through all the quotes right now. Thank you, Foxy. I'm glad you like it. I think you're gonna really like it, Orange. I'm excited to hear what you think of it. Hi, Kim. 5 minutes before. No. It's not over yet. I still have a little while to go. How are you, Kim? Though, welcome in. Bye, Travis. Have a good time at the gym. Thank you for the resub again, and thank you for stopping in. No, I have how you I actually put how you okay, I had to put away the Riptide stuff. I have the Riptide stuff around me for a really long time, but I did have to put it away. The thing that CC helps me with is in a drawer. And I don't know where. I put everything that everybody gave me in this like zip thing. I don't know where I put said zip thing. It's probably under my blanket. But yeah. Thank you for, oh my god, I've been live for 3 hours. Okay, I'm locking in. I'm locking in. I'm not gonna get distracted for the rest of the stream. Maybe. I said maybe. Maybe for the rest of the stream I won't get distracted. Snack timers are slacking. You are correct. You are correct. No, the stream's not ending yet. It's not ending yet. I will need to end kind of soon, but it's not ending yet because I'm still going crazy. Don't worry. Because if I changed the colors to everything to be a little bit darker, it means I need to adjust a couple of things here and there on this art, which is going to take me a bit of time. So don't worry yet. Like I need to change, ooh, the dark wheel is kind of fun. I do like this piece being on the darker side. I think it's kind of nice. But I don't know, it just started. Yeah, stream definitely just started. All you guys trying to convince me to do a 16-hour stream or something. Oh, heck. I'm not doing a 16-hour stream. I am eyes heavy, brain heavy. I'm giving you a hug. I'm giving you a hug. I hope that we're almost to the weekend. We're almost to the weekend. Remember that. Just 21 more hours to go. Oh my god. I don't think I could do it, guys. I don't think I could stream for 24 hours. No matter how much you guys would want me to. I think I would actually go crazy. I would need to go to bed at some point. You know? I still don't know what color I want to make these banners. It's a very big problem. All right, guys, we have color. There's color questions again. What color should these banners be? I think the red is too much. I think there's too much red. I think that dark blends in a lot, but I still really like everything dark. Not that dark. What? You're a vampire and don't sleep? Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. I want to make this still multicolored. Dude, my eye just started twitching as I was thinking about sleep. My eyes have been twitching on and off for like a sort of disturbing amount of time. I don't know if I should see a doctor. I look online and it's like, you have too much caffeine, or you're stressed, or you're tired. And I'm like, that's cute. You're leaving? Okay, bye. Bye, good night. Sleep well. I take seasonal allergy meds that make me a little bit sleepy. It might be stress. It happened to for a week once. Yeah, it happened. So it's been going on for me for probably over a month at this point, but it's been different eyes and different parts of my eyes. But it's weird because like, even if it's not like immediately happening, I can like feel it. Like I can feel that it's like about to happen. Twitchy eyes is a symptom of streaming on this platform, maybe. Yeah, it was really, really bad like in the early fall when I was like really stressed out from work, like on this corner of my eye. And then after I think I came back from my work trip, it was this part of my eye, and now it's like over here. Like I can remember exactly where it is. Honestly, too much screen time is probably one of the culprits, which is kind of hard for me because I work using a screen. Like it's really hard sometimes. It's one of the hard parts about working like on the computer. But I don't know. I just hope that it stops eventually, because I don't drink too much caffeine and I do get decent sleep. Like I really try to like focus on and prioritize my sleep. So I don't know. Stress causes most of your problems, and when it does, it's time to panic. No, I know. I will say I'm not someone that handles stress very well, even if I don't voice that. I have struggled a lot with stress and how I react to stress in my life. I feel like I've gotten a lot better over the years at being like not a stressed and anxious mess every 5 seconds. But I still think that there's like lingering things sometimes that come with that, you know? Just remember to take an eye break every hour. I do, yeah, we should also look away from the screen for 30 seconds every certain amount of time. I do take breaks every 50 minutes. My Fitbit tells me to stand up if I haven't stood up, and I do genuinely walk away for like 10 minutes from my screen. But I don't know if it's just like the really prolonged, screen time, or if it is actually just like delayed stress or something. Like, when you go through like a stressful time period, and then like even if the time period is over, you still kind of feel the stress. That happens to me a lot, like with just various things. So I'm like, maybe it's that. I don't really know. But yeah, it's really very weird. It's not like disturbing me where it's like, knock on wood, like waking me up in the middle of the night or anything, but it's just definitely a feeling that's like there, and it kind of stinks. Mac users specifically need to take an eye break. Oh my god. Are you talking about Zelda, Mongoose? Because yes, I do. I think was there a quote about yahaha? I'm low-key glad my job is helping me not be on screen so much now, and when you am at short intervals, that's good. Unfortunately, my whole job is on a screen. But I don't know. I do though, like, it's hard because my job is on a screen and a lot of my hobbies are on a screen. It's one of the biggest reasons why I refuse to swap to reading ebooks because everything I do is on a screen. Like, reading is now like one of the only hobbies that I have that doesn't involve a screen. That's not true. That's not true at all, actually, but it's kind of true. Like, when it comes to like gaming and art and work, and reading, which are the things I feel like I do like in the longest time. The only thing that I don't look at a screen for is reading. Like I have other hobbies that are like not including a screen, but yeah. A lot of screen. Zelda. Not that I play it, but I did say the word. I did say the word Zelda. Sorry, I feel like I'm actively like no longer making sense, and I do want to apologize that I'm actively no longer making sense because I can feel it happening. It just happens when I start to get tired, as I stop making any sense at all whatsoever. You don't have any quotes? Oh no. Neither do I. Actually, I've never said a single thing that any of these quotes are saying. None of them. I've never said a single one. I think I like these colors. Except no wait, I lied. I don't like these colors. I have 2 more things I want to fix. I think I want to make this dark. Maybe not that dark. Maybe like... I still don't know... Oh god, oh god. Sorry, I dropped the color and it scared me. I get really nervous that I'm going to drop a color in and I'm not going to notice the impact that that color made until it's too late. Can I do keywords? I don't know. Oh yeah, you can't. I guess you can't. Yeah, I guess keywords don't work. I don't actually know how the quote command works. Min set it up and Min is the only one that knows how to use it. Sleepless knows how to. I don't know how to use it though. I know that's extremely useful of me as a streamer. I'm very aware of my usefulness here in this channel. You really need to fit. Oh, you got that, Clover! Is it the one that you were working on stream? I think I want the eye color to be lighter here as well. Yeah. Oh, good luck. Good luck, good luck. Speaking of men. If you don't know the number, if you don't add the number, it's random. But they like go up. Like if you add like quote with no number, it'll be like the first quote and then quote 1, quote 2, quote 3. Yeah. Yeah, kind of know. Sweating in Splatoon. Now you're taking a peaceful break. That's good. Good night, Dream. Take care. Thank you for hanging out. I hope that you enjoyed the game. I hope it was fun. I'm gonna probably head out soonish because I feel like I've gotten a good amount done here and I'm pretty happy with what I have done. The thing that I'm looking forward to with this is there's gonna be a glow coming off of the little lantern dude that I think I'm gonna use as the main lighting for this entire piece. Now, did I set my layers up in a proper way where the lighting is going to not be a pain? I don't think so. So that's gonna be really interesting when I have to actually like, yeah, no, I didn't. Oh God, okay. So I'm gonna have to be really tricky when I do the lighting for this. I'm starting to talk to myself and zone out. I apologize. Like I want to do like a big red glow coming off of this, but I'm gonna have to be careful because I'm coloring over the lantern entirely. I just want to see what this looks like. I will be heading to bed soon though, just as a, this is your warning that I'm heading to bed soon. Oh, 999 would be too long. I think I might have gone a bit too long. Oh my God. No, that's too many. That's too many. You can't have such thing as too many quotes. I want to have a big glow coming off of this guy. I don't know what blend modes I'm gonna use yet. Ooh, that's pretty. I already kind of put this on Little Buddy, but now we're gonna put it on the rest of the piece. Like, this looks so cool. I don't like the eye color now, though. Why am I so picky? Where did I put the eye color? Oh, it's here. My attention span is so bad right now. It's okay. Yeah, I think maybe same because Min is correct. I have reached the point where I am talking to myself. I definitely am. I'm just making things up. This happens to me every art stream towards the end of the art stream. It's really hard to not start talking to yourself at one point when you're doing art. I can't figure out what eye color I want on this dude. Pretty dark. I don't know. I should probably go to bed. Doesn't that look cool? Doesn't that look really cool? I think it looks really cool. I think I look unhappy to see you, which is kind of the point. Not you guys, just I look angry. I look mad to be working in this shop. Although I do think that this is too dark. I lost track of the conversation. Guys, I'm getting so tired. Does this look cool? Oh! Great. Ah! Oh, it's fine. Everything's fine. Oh my god. I need to go to bed. It's 10 p.m. and I am acting like it's midnight. Ow. I just walked my leg. Are you gonna buy or what? That's what she's saying. Do you guys like it though? I think that when I add in like some of the highlights and blah blah blah, it's not gonna look as dark. Oh my god. Thank you, Foxy. Yeah, I think I did that New Year's one like 2 years ago. Oh my god. I know that it's not close to December, but every single December I like to do a Christmas piece and I like to do a New Year's piece, and I didn't factor that into my life right now as I'm thinking about my art. Anyway, I'm gonna go to bed because I am clearly I clearly can't function anymore. I am closing the iPad. Everything is off. Everything is closed. I am literally closing everything so that I can go right to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope that you had fun. I had a nice time streaming. I'm gonna take you guys off on a raid. Let me see where we're going to go. But first of all, if you no, I'm sorry. If you would like to join my Discord server and keep up with me off stream, you can feel free to do so there. If you'd like to follow me on my socials, you can do so there. But I threw everything aside. I'm not using it anymore. And we're gonna go off on a raid. Let me see where we're going to go today. See if I have anybody doing art that I haven't raided in a while. If you guys can stick around, that would be great. Oh, we could go say hi to... Let me take a look. Let's go say hi to Plush. I haven't raided Plush in a really long time. And she is currently doing art and just started stream, so that's perfect. Yeah, thank you, Foxy, so much for being here. If you guys could be normal in the raid message, that would be really great. Being normal would be really great. I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for being here today. I hope that you had a fun time. I will see you again next on Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern time. Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern time for Pokemon Legends ZA. And it'll be great, and we'll have fun, and I'll have a great time. Yeah, please be normal. No horses, no horses. But yeah, here's the raid message. I will see you guys on Saturday. Have a good Friday and a good start to your weekend. Bye, bye, bye.